Manners and respect, big up to everybody inside the place. Big up to all the YouTube watchers. Yours surely Exodus Nuclear on the check-in. Yeah, teach them, big up yourself. Yo, Kelts, Extreme, Geary Exodus. Daddy Lizard in the building. Teach them.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The #1 DJ rocking your city.
Dropping the hottest tracks.
You're listening to VIJAY on Exodus Nuclear, making it happen and turning up the heat, blazing the fire more and more, and more and more and more.
Exodus Nuclear sound, man.
Sounds of the one, Mr. Errol Dunkley.
I'm Errol Dunkley, my microphone stand. Big up man like Geary.
Early out. Them style, yeah.
Exodus grow.
Well, last you go dance and hear them big song, yeah.
Exodus a boom shot, man.
In the building. Read them up.
Exodus sound is a dancehall star. And Exodus sound is a murderation sound. Exodus killing sound in every way.
I tell you.
Exodus murdering sound in every way.
You wanna know why?
And I know why. It's those murderation music Exodus play. The special Exodus play. Make sound boy run away. And I don't care what no zinc and sound have to say. Exodus murdering sound in every way. Exodus a killer sound every way. And I know why. I said I know why. Look my body. Look what you see is coming on. How many sounds have been chewed by nuclear sound? The jumping sound, the rubber dance sound, the talk of the town. It's the A1 sound, boy. Now my brothers and sisters, you better listen to me. Stop the war police fighting. It's much more that we have lost there. We're gonna fight for a right until daylight.
Shout to the one, baby bro.
You can play into the north. You can play into the south, Georgia. You can play in the far east. Far east.
Oh, step cross, Jimmy London.
Broken hearted sound boy. Once you were music's pride and joy, but now you keep annoying me with your noisy little toy. Your days are numbered, broken-hearted sound boy. Please turn off your stupid toy.
I extra hole in your dubplate, old pan sound boy, jump on sound boy. Extra hole in your dubplate, old pan sound boy. Nuclear cork it, nuclear cork it. Come and say, can you keep a secret? You got to keep it in your mind. Nuclear now got. I extra hole in your dubplate, old pan sound boy, jump on sound boy. Extra hole in your dubplate, old pan sound boy. A hole, cork it, nuclear Cork it, nuclear, cork it. Come and say, can you keep a secret? You got to keep it in your mind. Nuclear, now go tell it to the whole pan sound. We now go tell it to the jump pan sound. You be, you bang, you be, you bang, yes. You be, you bang, Exodus, Jaja, no Exodus in the town again. Boy, because we have a many sound friend and treat them well, but we never tell them our secret tell. Cause when our friends become our foe, all over the world Exodus story goes. So you be, Exodus in town again. Boy, so you would need Exodus in another love. You would need recognize of the Lord.
Every time I face the world, I just had to cry. I stood alone with no sound of my own, and then you had been by. Oh, Exodus, bless you, bless every dub that you play. Yeah, bless every dub that you play so perfectly, and bless those little hearts for loving me. Then you smiled and took my hands. I felt kind of small. You stood by me for the whole world to see, and then I was 10 feet tall. Oh, Exodus, bless you, bless every dub that you play. Yeah, bless every dub that you play.
Yes, and that's coming.
Look here.
Yeah, Exodus coming. Oh yeah, Exodus coming.
Look here.
Exodus, I kill one tin pan, one drum pan sound. Yeah. Exodus, I kill one tin pan and some full sound now. Sing it, Ken.
Hey, sound boy, you're joking.
Hey!
Amplifier smoking. We're gonna bust a little sound tonight. Don't want no old pan sound when Exodus is around. You all are come around.
Yeah, and this coming. Yeah, Exodus coming. Look here. Hey!
And the champion sound like nuclear Exodus.
Bow down. Hey. Everything that I see that I got to get you sandbar. And if I try to do good, my baby, it up to lie. Son boy, you're not so lucky. Son boy, you're not so lucky. Oh no, like lucky. Oh boy.
Yeah, man, watch the ride. MJ, watch this. Yeah. I see a sound boy in the Lord, but it don't matter. Exodus at all. Never ever changing sound.
The Exodus Nuclear.
I see a sound boy in the Lord, but it don't matter. Exodus at all. Never ever changing sound. And these forever changing sound. Everything is going so much faster. Seems like I'm watching my life and everything I do. Wondering if the dream that I
Enough son boy forget show down, man. Sit you now. Check out the real situation. Son boy fight against the Exodus. Where did it all begin? Whoa. Where will it end? But it seems like total destruction. They're on a sound cloud. Oh, now, ain't no use. No sound guy can throw Exodus down. No way.
Well, all you rubber dub soldiers in Jah army. Righteous apostles, come rally round your soul, rally round the nuclear sound. Cause our son boy must go down.
Exodus sound.
And Exodus wears the crown. Well, Exodus, we ready now to give our son boy a beating. Well, nucleus, we ready now to teach our son boy a lesson. Well, nucleus, we ready now to give our son boy a beating. Well, nucleus, we ready now to teach our son boy a lesson.
Anthony B, I tell you, say what? One thing I can do, one thing I can say. I Exodus, I lead the way. I the big bad sound, me love hear when it play. Whether in a night or day. One thing I can do, one thing I can say. Exodus, I lead the way. I the champion sound, me love hear when it. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Exodus hurt the heart and them can't hurt the soul. Just say that the Almighty more and more. We no under no devil control. God as we guide, I play life role. Hurt the heart and them can't hurt the soul. Just say that the Almighty more and more. We no under no devil control. God as we guide. Give me the, give me the, give me the, give me the. Nothing can run, nothing can hide, nothing can escape. Exodus earthquake, no sound can run, none of them can hide.
So we're talking about war, but Exodus has started the revolution. We see it's coming from afar. Some clash among Gideon, yeah. So we're talking about war, but Exodus has started the revolution. Yeah. We see it coming from afar. So clash among Gideon, yeah. We told them some boys are dying, but they don't even care about this kind. They're talking about the new dancehall order, total opposite of Exodus order. It's all a part of their conspiracy to wipe away the dancehall tranquility. They're making foolish dubplates to destroy the dancehall. Exodus arise, call them a star. Some boy talking about war, but Exodus has started the revolution. We see it coming from afar.
My God, Exodus no love water go on. We are tell them little punk you fi come. Big Mackie now the home. As you say, hear them blow your life like a star. Exodus crew a sing. God alone, that's in our yard. God alone, they can tear it apart. God alone, we are not in here gonna go out. God alone, Exodus a sing. Sitting at the yard of Kingston, watching the stars as they run. Making my way so they come. I Exodus alone. Young guy just hold his day.
Say that you a fool, and now you know I've not tiger. Say that you be cool, cause you know I've no anger. Your sound don't have no tiger, your selector just a idle, and then your crew just a fumble, and all the girls them just a stumble, and when we stab you with an eagle, Exodus are you a sample sound boy.
No trouble, no way with a night or day. Exodus say there is no trouble in no way, night or day. Got to listen to the dub. Exodus are playing. We are the sound for the new millennium. We are the sound who kill sound boy when they come to roll in a competition. We kill and gone. We just kill them and gone. No boy can pack up the champion sound. How we rule dance all. How we rule dance all. Hey.
Right now. I would like to see your face on God. When I Exodus, I dust you out, shut your mouth, you not scar out, back out. Bow! I would like to see your face on God. When I Exodus, I dust you out, shut your mouth, you not scar out, back out.
Kill and bury nuclear, kill and bury. I don't like that. Kill and bury, we just a kill and bury. The dog said where we a play, make we kill them and bury. 45 where we a play, make we kill them and bury. Now come this on nuclear, live and direct. And all luck with little John, long time vet. Well the dance all sing up and go mash it up again. Well the dance all, I cannot.
I woke up this morning and I see the rising sun. I did concentrations from my right to the left. He's giving me the strength and he kept me alive. With wisdom, knowledge to survive. And I know, yes I know, Exodus nuclear know. My God is real, so real. His presence I feel. My God is real, my God is real, so real. His presence I feel. My God is Exodus.
I am a mountain, I am a tall tree, oh, I am a sweet wind, sweeping the country. I am a river, down in the valley, oh, I am a vision, so I can see clearly. If anybody asks you who I am, just stand up tall, look them in the face and say, I'm the star up in the sky, I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it. Exodus of the great.
Check it out. When you feel it in your body, you found somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your crew. So you act like you're ready, but you don't really know everything in your past. You wanna let it go. I've been there, done it, kill some sound. After all that, this is what I found. Exodus is the number one. When you're touched by the words in the song, ladies, you got it bad. When you're on the phone, hang up, then you call right back. You got it bad. When you miss a day without your friend, your whole life's off track. You got it bad when you're stuck in the house, you don't wanna have fun. All you think about, and you got it bad when you're out with someone and you keep on thinking about your big body every time. Whoa, whoa, well, yes, you all on my mind. I search for a while. Whoa, whoa, Lord, this is the love I search to find. Oh, Lord, wakes me up so early in the morning. Unto me, it's like a breath of life. Hey, this is what a king man really desire, baby. A princess and a lover and a wife. Whoa, I wanna be wrapped up in the arms of a woman. Oh, I wanna be wrapped up in the arms of a woman. Oh, I wanna be wrapped up in the arms of a woman. Exodus woman. Whoa, African woman.
So that's a big sound if you know that. The man called Legend and the man called Passa Passa. Bear to know yourself, Anthony Cruz say a large. Kick it, just like that, you know.
Only Exodus alone now. Come on, come on. Hey, hey. I remember the days when things wasn't right, when mama held me tight, stayed up late all through the night. No jump and sound could compete, cause Exodus plays so sweet, making sure we had the best of life. She made a sacrifice, never hesitate to compromise.
Exodus is number one for me. You're truly a blessing, Mama, you're special. Thanks for all you've done for me. Your love is the greatest, I gotta tell you this. Exodus is exclusively
Exodus, Exodus. I hear you once and then you play so wonderful, so very wonderful. Just keep on playing for me. Exodus, Exodus. I can't remember.
Listen, Exodus nuclear is better than no sound. Yes, the nuclear. Throw one song boy down. If anyone should ask you who's the nuclear, tell them I sound true. Forever does sentence and sound for you. Nuclear you play throughout the world. Woo 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 woo. To all the dancehall fans and people.
Yeah, wow. But I see sound boy dead in this dance hall. While you clear sound, we always kill sound boy. And all over the world, sound is in misery. Things come to pass, nuclear I kill sound fast. There will be no peace in this dance, oh no. Cause Exodus, we always second the score.
Cause this is murder, another jump and sounded yo oh. Oh oh oh. I mean say murder, Exodus, kill another jump and yeah yeah yeah. I mean say murder, another song boy dead yo oh. Oh oh oh. I mean say murder, Exodus is the champion. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because I to juggling not in the dance hall tonight. I to juggling not well crucial. Pity them no know we are the true original. Yes, ready for them we are go kill sound boy. Murder another jump and sound dead.
Sound boy you get that up straight to your head. Walk and live Exodus sound. I know for school. Sound boys don't go wrong. Exodus knows what's going on. Believe me, I know for school. Sound boy knows go wrong. Exodus knows what's going on. And I see you in the dance, popping style. But Exodus versatile. Oh yes, hey. All you dubplates that you play, the whole of them swile. Exodus, I go run you wild. We will run you out of the dance.
I ain't never seen this before.
Make the people start to dance.
Seen this before. Never seen so many people being on defense. Coming. Nuclear Exodus, I'm playing up and see them. Nuclear, they come to nice up this. How do you mean? Oh, I feel the vibes is flowing right. Exodus, I'm playing tonight. I, twinkling, twinkling feelings to my mind. And I wanna tell you so much. And then a champion, and the sound can show us down, show us down. I feel the one in the back.
Some boy have to live in fear. Now massive, let's rise and shine. Give Exodus the victory. Playing good music for we. No, massive, you should open your eyes and see. Come now, let's sing and shout. Exodus sound praises forever, so the world can see how the number one sound should be. Knowing that Exodus Nuclear is the number one champion sound, and all the world agree. No, massive, you should open your eyes and see. Enough little sound around would like to challenge my sound. Exodus Nuclear is so versatile, idiot sound will get put down. Let about to
You think of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away.
So my soul boy run away.
Fade away.
When I tell you, you gotta fade away.
Hey, I'm pull up again. Sons of the one, Junior Byers, alongside Daddy Koja. They want that name, fade away, fade away.
You seek of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away.
Teach him, tell him, man.
Fade away. You check for only wealth.
Big up to all the YouTube massive, them have it lucky, yeah?
Junior gotta fade away, son boy run away.
Do you hear what I say?
Champion sound gonna act and his eyes is watching you.
And he knows when you play the game on stage.
Son boy, you got to be aware, you gotta fade away. Exodus nuclear plane. So let me tell you every night and day. You gotta hear me when I say, come down with me, no matter what they ever say.
Hear what I say, yeah, hear what I say.
Man called Junior Byers and I'm a promoter. Exodus, the champion sound, it bounce sound.
Hear me now. I have never heard a sound place where we are so there with us. Sweet sound of melody, the ground one for air. But hear me the port more.
From 1986 until now, from them time here till now, never fade away. That's Sonia.
Hear me now.
Mega B, tell him. I have never heard a song play so.
Here with us, sweet tone of melody, the ground one for air. Never heard.
Well, he's the extreme in the building and the family.
Exodus nuclear again. Yeah, we don't laugh, we don't skin. No pain, I don't grin. Long time we don't yak and give out the warning. Fool can't hear so what him skin wine money. We don't dig the grave behind the reeds and caffeine. I fly too far, then we go and clip the wing. The trouble is champion sound that don't get murdering. Boom, one go tell them father row me crown king. I fling down me tune fan with him. Yeah, I've never heard a sound place I went beyond so clear. Sweet sound a melody, the crowd want the air. Never heard a sound place I went beyond so clear. You dead if you test Exodus nuclear. Cause enough sound a talk, enough sound a chat. But all them a chat with no response for that. Danger run the world, you know. Yes, that's a fact. Anywhere we play the crowd I get up and rock. Watch the girls them a jump on them and lift up them frack. Music sweet them from foot to head down. Happy and you love it, no longer was a shot. Exodus, nuclear non-stop. Bad people,
tradition long. Exodus, your tradition long. Exodus, roll your natty bongo congo, would he make it come down? Fire shoe light be come down. Roll your natty bongo congo, would he make it come down? Man a try. See a tradition.
Yeah, man, some of them style.
Nuclear, your tradition long. Exodus, your tradition long. Exodus. Oh, you're not the bongo congo.
I work with it same way. So to the one Bushman.
Oh, you're not the bongo congo. Will you make it come down? Fire shoulder East Chris. We get to understand, see the right tradition. Press the man go burn down Babylon. Hey, throw your legs to a higher dimension. Exodus got the solution. One, Samson was brave and strong. He got deceived by a woman. When she cut off the locks off of the Rasta man, then the Rasta coulda never ever pearl long boy. Bro, you're not the bongo congo, would he make it come down? Fire shoe light fi Exodus. Bro, you're not the bongo congo, would he make it come down?
What is the well, we can find a place to live in this jungle created by mankind. Oh, yeah. And we will allay my weary and take me out. I'll find a peace of mind. Well, yeah. Some search around way, oh, yeah. And man must insult me. But I feel like running insane and find be a place where you can play. Oh, yes, I take me over into the valley. I'll find me a place where
no, don't try to diss my sound. Yes, tonight you're gonna get chewed down. I have my rights to pick and choose. Don't believe I have nothing to lose. Don't try to diss my sound. Yes, tonight you're gonna get chewed down. I have my rights to pick and choose. So don't believe I have nothing to lose. Exodus a champion, but you are old fan. What you fail to understand, that I'm not like the other sound you've met. We will break you down and leave you to fret. I will do things you don't expect. If you try to disrespect, that all good things will come to an end. I'm gonna leave you with a sound that cannot be meant. So don't try to diss my sound. Yes, tonight you're gonna get choked down. I have my rights to pick and choose. Don't believe I have nothing to lose.
From them time here till now, I sound you not gone away. Don't you ever try this sound.
You know the thing set, I wanna beg no friend, you know the thing set up, you see DJ, bring out to the blacks, untouchable Chris, make himself rounded. Watching no danger, yeah, Father Romy, yeah. Nuclear Exodus. Respect Exodus, cause we not sell out. Jump and violate, so we kill them out. Represent all over the world. And
after we not gone away.
Some sound in here.
They are same way, no.
Kill, jump and
tell them to busy.
Nuclear drop the box, them like grenade.
Yo, Kels, watch the drop, watch the drop, watch the drop.
Yeah, then abroad we take it over.
Watch the drop.
We kill the sound. Exodus, nuclear murder, jump and sound. Yeah. We are kill sound all over the area. Yeah, then abroad nuclear take over set. We kill the sound. Exodus go slaughter some jump and sound. Yeah. We are lock it all over the area. Kick off a kill boy, bout your VIJAY. Represent to your band. Danger kill jump on. From the crime rate drop, we no matter about that. Still a kill sound and a gun. Exodus have the link to the link. We connect Canadian, American, England. Make sure say when they are found in us, mama visit Western Union. Exodus make we love the foundation. Nuclear, say we have a mission. Now flash out all the money parts of Spain. Can we have to buy out to kill jump on? Hey, help me say show me the hand. Represent nuclear, which boy you stand. Exodus, nuclear come fi murder jump.
I would not laugh with sound boy. Hear me now. Mama, Exodus a murder. In a sound I make them go to Papa, Exodus a danger. You tell them to all true. Tell them to have mercy. Yeah, just tell them say. I would not laugh with sound boy. Hear me now. Mama, Exodus a murder. In a sound I make them go to Papa, Exodus a danger. You tell them to all true. Tell them to just you know. If they think no bad like how we. So just you know. People don't feel no wicked like how we. Oh just you know. People don't feel no bad like how we. Yes you know. People don't feel no wicked like how we. Can no sound a chat and a big up them chest. Go them run things and them if the greatest. I do Exodus.
Not really ready yet. We tell them step aside with no disrespect. How we?
Them a swear and a ear cause them fake.
On top of that, them a
disrespect. But for the test we know. People don't feel no bad like how we. Come test we know. People don't feel no.
And you know me can't play only one budget on the rhythm, don't it? The one that name.
I'm willing to fly tomorrow.
The Lord is our light and our salvation.
Wanna hear me?
Till I whom shall Exodus fear.
The one that name combination style. Cocotti, Butcher Banton. Which Butcher Banton?
I think them could have told Exodus now. Then we beat them out of town.
Hey Butcher, tell them.
Sound fit dead, Exodus now, don't play if you bust up in a sound boy, sound fit dead. Exodus now, save the leg. Don't play if you bust up in a sound boy, it's not to them. Like a cock, how we every like it. From a sound boy, this way you know it's a fit dead, not to them. You have too much biscuit and try to get away. Squeeze a 4-4 Magnum in on them, it's sound fit dead. Exodus now, save the leg. Don't play if you bust up in a sound boy, it's sound fit dead. And Exodus now, save the don't play it for something, a stone boy,
now big up all Exodus crew, now Exodus massive scene, Freddie McGregor in the place. I wanna take that cry for idiot son boy thinking back, make him try. But that's it tonight, fling it down selector. Some boy, we ask you not to play Exodus tonight. Now you didn't listen, you didn't take no good advice. But this is how we kill a sound. We'll send him home go rest. I've got to say, oh, a little sound boy suffered, a little sound boy died. Sound boy, you shouldn't try to play Exodus tonight. For this is how we kill a sound. a song bad. Girl, you say let him try, 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 let him try. Don't push your luck. Some boy I've been warning you. That ain't no bluff. Exodus not bluffing now. Don't push your luck. Tin pan song boy. That ain't no bluff. Yeah, why? Exodus song get rougher every day. Select and a ramp, me select and a play. Any song come here with a night or day. Exodus crew, I go run them go away. Don't push your luck. Oh well, that ain't no bluff. Exodus not bluffing. Don't push your luck. Oh well, that ain't no bluff. Yo, that's on the little video I said that now. Exodus every time, yeah. Oh well. There's another morning without you. There's another day will I get through it without killing sound.
Sounds and one on to the Balbo. Ready, ready.
Haven't seen the sun since you've been gone. Like my heart I'm lost when you left me. And can't be found.
The Exodus Nuclear.
How can they go on when they know Exodus is the ruling sound?
Here is a VJ, no matter what you do, make sure you play the Anthony Malva because everybody else play it. But them not play it like how we play it. So Anthony Malva. The one that your message.
So you can't stop Exodus from playing. Won't you chase the clowns away? I'll give anything to hear Exodus again. Only Exodus can play selection, cause we play it night and day. Only Exodus play for you. Whoa, yeah. Everywhere I go I feel you there, following my footsteps like a shadow of my broken heart. Sometimes it's a pair of passing eyes, always just the voice of one who's talking. Exodus is alright. How can I go on? Baby, I've been living on memories of you and me. All this love we made, all those tender nights and those endless days, never even inside, so you can't stop Exodus from playing.
Well up onto the Malvo. And when you say Exodus, you talk about certain caliber tune. So you see all the next song, yeah? Reaching out.
Now hear this. This is we one on Exodus sound. Now big up, who forget big up and small up, over small up.
The one in your memory lane.
We one the love and the fierce man. All girls, black running, easy about the bantan. Girls, watch me now.
Sounds to the one, wait the wonder. Request all the girls up inside the place. No one in here, ready up.
How could I throw away a miracle? How could I face another day? It's all in our doings. I made a choice, and today I pray. Someone's heart is full of pain. How could you understand the way I feel? How could you relate to so much pain? Seems as though nothing can make me now. And today I pray that some sound should listen, cause no sound should matter. Not when love grows inside you, the choice is yours. There's a miracle in store. No sound should matter.
Hey, Exodus, can't you give me a chance to speak my mind? 'Cause there's something I want to say for such a long, long time.
You too, when last you hear them Calabar song,
I love you so madly. I wanna be
Richie Stevens.
by your side. Exodus, can't you see? I just wanna be by your side. Everybody can see the way I feel for you. It's so very true. Just can't understand what I mean, Lord. What I'm saying. Oh,
a little sound while you ready. Your knees look so shaky.
A combination, your name. Exodus alone. This is Jack Radix, alongside.
Hey, you don't lose your
Nothing I'm gonna tell you.
Now.
You tell me.
Rock, drum, and bass now. Oh, it's sexy this time, okay.
Bring in the DJ.
Make it be the last song, boy. You're threatening to kill us. If you're sexy, that's your boy. Right, you will make it be the
For those who know and those who don't know, this is Jack Radix, alongside Lady Saw, a very young Lady Saw.
A little sound while you ready.
Ready.
Your knees look so shaky.
It's the nuclear town again. Come on.
Hey, you don't lose your faith now. Just rock, drum, and bass now. Oh, it's sexy this time again. Whoa.
Yeah. Make it be the last song, boy. You're threatening to kill her. You test sexy, does your boy. Right, you will make it be the last time, boy. You open your mouth if you dare say everything I dub down your throat. You be talking and talking, but we can't get you out. But Exodus, you know how we run the road. We are nuclear sound and I'm not out. We are out. We go mash you up and then we throw you out. Make it be the last time, boy. You threatening to kill her.
You too, we can play a next bad combination. The combination only played by Exodus Nuclear.
Exodus girl, then from around Bruno and the shock out. Put him on to the master of this case.
Come on there, request some ladies.
Step up.
I'm missing.
I'm mercy.
I love you truly, truly. I love you truly, and it would mean so much to me if you.
This is Butcher Banton alongside Marsha Griffiths.
I need you just to be my lover, man.
That's why me love me care, me love me buy, me love me money and thing. I said this to make it to my brain. Big up it just gonna stamp can swing. Respect to the maximum from shoes to the gun, Butcher Banton of the African can done. I'll Exodus girl then from around Bruno and the shock out. Butcher Banton of the master of this case. No master of it. Step up.
True.
Exodus Nuclear.
Have mercy.
I love you truly, truly. I love you truly, and it would mean so much to me if you could understand that I need you just to be my lover, man.
That's why money.
Before I cut it, Marsha, take a next piece now.
Really,
have mercy.
I want you near me. Really, if you should hear me, 'cause you don't know like I know, baby. You've got to change your plans. 'Cause I need you just to. I was drawn into myself, observing you, sound boy. From every angle I could see, your sound is gonna get thrown down. When Exodus spins a dub, sound boy die from time to time. We'd like to ask you, sound boy, what have you got in mind? I see turntables burning, it's getting hotter and hot. You will wanna be in the shoes of Exodus. If the sign is on your door, then you will be safe for sure. But if you are in pretense, you're on the wrong side of the fence. Whoa, whoa. Another thing I saw in vision, right in front of these eyes. I see someone dying, throwing away their lives. They get but very little pay, the ones who try to test Exodus, he's number one. He always sits on top. I see turntable burning. It's getting hotter and hot. You will wanna be in the shoes of Exodus. If the sign is on your door, then you will be safe for sure. But if you are in pretense, you're on the wrong side of the fence.
So goes there. The article Freddie McGregor on the play scene, and you don't know what player so now. Exodus Nuclear. Haha, wagwan. Father Rome. Big up yourself, Gear. You don't know the thing turn up already. So, must big show. Tired of taking the blame. Exodus, we have a murder them and them. Whoa, big nuclear sound on the engine. Hey. Right now we are gonna murder someone. I know what you've been playing over on my dance on. Oh well, talk to Gary. I'm gonna catch this flight, and when I reach my destination, soundboy you'll be bawling, begging for mercy. I thought you'd drop me a line just to tell me about that big dance you have in mind. Oh well, it doesn't matter anyway now. But I soundboy yesterday, tonight will be the same. And I don't care what you select them up play. Boy, I run for dirt, but nobody try to put the play. But Exodus Nuclear, yeah. Cause we murder one idiot sound, yeah. Push comes to shove, now the sound wanna put the play. But Exodus sound, yeah. Oh Lord now.
I'm from a sound for kill, sound for dead. We're willing, don't it? We're gonna play some more tune and make you know say that sound yeah. It not gone away. We're on the road same way. So, that one of them.
And Father Roman respect large. Johnny Ranks talk one of the long talking thing, you know. Yeah, me. Veteran raw feature, you know. Father D. Brown, step up and deal with the kids. Exodus.
Father Roman, bigger. Do you know what it means to taste the champion sound now? And what it takes to kill a sound boy. Try to taste the Exodus. Roll up. Exodus is gonna knock you out. Oh, Zion. Whoa. Oh, Zion. Whoa. Hey. Are you ready to stand up and taste Exodus? Are you ready to stand up and
I'm not into Rosy, tell me to come. We go listen, nuclear Exodus, I kill some sound. Oh wait, shiddly badly diddly diddly daddly diddly woodly whoa. Sing, I know any song can contest this a sound. I know any song can contest this a sound. Cause we're large and in charge and broader than Broadway. Exodus nuclear is large and in charge and broader than Broadway. Sing, see the big gun, and you know what contest. See the big W, you know what contest. Cause you're dead, you're dead, you're deader than dead way. Sound boy, you're large, you're gone, you're a goner from Broadway.
See those that stop that sound. No matter what that sound by you do. It's those that ruling sound. Wait now, turn your light down, though. Well, say rhythm and rock me, rhythm control me. Really and truly, yes, me top sit on me. From the way that Exodus played and me feeling irate. But my body and I'm soul full up of the energy. Now when me talk about His Majesty, when me sing about Emperor Haile Selassie, everyone a come and them a listen to me. And me think us off his son we come from Chantilly. And me there with them, with me sparring beat. Mikey General and Daddy Landy. Me say us stay in there in my pink factory. The one world of all out in the eternity they day. Tell us the vibe and go. One world of Allah. 16 roots and culture what the youths them require. That's the amplifier. One world of Allah. You see another guy with the girl them banner. Everyone that talk about the natty can utter. We have the lyrics and we'll talk them proper. Everyone that come and them a give me words. That's an easy excellent.
On better worry on yourself, on the death and battlefield. Worry on yourself, cause this a clash and it's real. Worry on yourself, for come for eat them meal. Like come like a cut, on a no say can't heal. On coulda shuffle, buckle sound boy, no coulda deal. The pressure sound boy, yeah, that gear with them mean. And that with that rapper, that Exodus mean. You have to have the sound upon your team. Exodus a bad out there, oh, you're tough out there. You make some sound boy blood all that spill out there. Some all that cry out there, some all that die out there. You make that sound boy have to pack up runway. Oh, life for the highest we know, say life.
See you know how we do. Oh yeah. Them boy, I must see why me get my donkey off a army. Me always have me. Trust me gun in farmers army, call the cops make them swarm me, but them can't take that big gun ya from me. They must see why me get my donkey off a army. Me always have me. Trust me gun in farmers army, call the cops make them swarm me, but them could never take that big gun ya from me. Well, a boy me come fi kill, Exodus send me fi murder this gun fool, I do that in a jiggy. Gonna bust comfortable in no sticky. Tell me where them a go do fi stop the nuclear sound. Now stop the ragga from round the town. Where them a go do fi stop the nuclear sound. Now stop the ragga. Exodus, then we have them in a lock, we in a hole. Assembly to out, we can back bomb patrol. Thinking about the music just to touch the wild soul. Exodus a way just like a wind ball a roll. One right foot and a tin a miss goal. Why think we a tell them get cold? Music a trap them into, split up them soul. Thinking about the music, make the good time rule. And when them a go do this, stop the nuclear crow. Now stop the ragga them from. Tell me how when them a go do this, stop the nuclear crow. Now stop the ragga them from. Go choose my Spanish tune. We got to see you from White Ham to White Avenue. Anything just in nuclear get slow. This is how all it is, not you.
Love all the while them coming at the dance. I want like them big and them brown. But sound fraud, I want you to know Exodus him a the rule and I did that. Him a go bury them just because them run up them out. Him a go bury them just because them won't get him out. Him a go bury them. Yes, Exodus him a go bury them. Whoa, well, cause many sound up try to test, many sound up try to compete. But all those sound clowns who try, they all get defeated. Him a go bury them. Yes, Exodus him a go bury them. Just because them run up them out, him a go bury them. In the name.
Exodus nuclear.
Kill them nuclear. In the name of the Lord, Exodus no king teeth. A sound and get defeat. In the name of the Lord, Exodus no king teeth. A sound and get defeat. Give with your Exodus a nuclear. Yes, a nuclear. Way you give with the Exodus or Exodus a nuclear. Exodus a
a murder, got Exodus in the area, whoa, whoa. A murder, we come for kill a sound bout, yeah, whoa, whoa. We a go kill a them a one by one, and legend a go kill a them a 2 by 2. Mr. Gary a go Exodus a murder.
I mean, them Caliber song I can't play only one time. Song to the one.
Oh,
a murder. Put on to the tell him.
A murder. We come for kill a sound bout, yeah, whoa, whoa. We a go kill a them a 1 by 1, and legend a go kill a them a 2 by 2. Mr. Gary a go kill a them a 3 by 3. Come catch up at them Tony Pampa laughing spree. Me have to sing murder. The Exodus in the area, whoa, whoa. A murder.
I never know time I will see far. The cruise around America, yeah. If you have killed as many sound as a red bird inside of this tree, and tonight you think you're gonna kill Exodus nuclear bumble, you said that dream you are dream. Because nothing you could do could make me run away from this clash, yeah. Bumble, well, me tell them, no sound in this world should never try clash nuclear border. Fool, yeah, yes, they call them telling them from the start. Nuclear poison dart, they be licking along the ground, and me will rip out your heart. No sound in this world should never cross Exodus border. You know why?
Well, Exodus can't dead. And anything where this to run that color red. When you hear that, I dead we can't dead. When this the Exodus gunshot down on the way. Jump on, wait till I go let you go. If you never this the program, wait till I go let you go. Quiet this the Exodus gang, wait till I go let them go. Them the lunatic a dead man, wait till I go let them go. Bumble while you put up your gun and when if you listen to I cat up on the reggae version. Anytime I come to the ball, the station of the ram. Talk it for the man and match it up for the woman. Just come out but upon probation. Gunshot me fling up a radio station. Buckle boom me fling up on police station. This is one thing but you're to understand. Exit the sound I mean a good candy. Exit the candy.
I tell you now already, when it comes to certain artists, enough sound can't play. See all them caliber artists, yeah.
And the rest of them man a murder about the man. Reball, ring ding 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 ding. To the leg, come back with a different something. Ring ding 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 ding.
When last year the artists and the dance. Lecture, tell them.
Oh man, what is them love, man, love, man, what is them love, man. Get some. What you know? Exodus man, them man, we no cater for Batty man. You see Gary and Shabba man, Supermark and the rest of them man, a murder Batty man. Reball, ring ding 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 ding. To the leg, come back with a different something. Ring ding 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 ding. To the leg, reball out. Oh man, what is them love, man, love, man, what is them love, man. Get some man, what is them love, man, what is love, man. We ball out in our weapons, we carry we weapon. We use it for woman, we no use it for man. Use it round the clock and from one to one. But now we have to stop because something wrong. You know, yes, it's take over the island. It costs from man who love fuck man. Nobody say you can't catch it. You have your own man. You select a licky, we fuck with Batty man. Who no tap in night, no? So, what do you do, man? Who know you about me brethren when name Jonathan? Used to have a sexy girl when both sip on. Now the girl turn down, start fuck with every man. Till she find herself in a rock out. So, and when rock out, so then she come back to Jonathan with a dose of faith in her middle section. Jonathan catch dates, I tell I man, the only thing me do is just sing one song. If your girl catch dates, me say me no respond. Me never tell her fi go fuck with Batty man. If your girl catch dates, me say me no
out in the dance a long time and tell them one more thing. We tell them some Marsha, we tell them some. You're wrong for contest the nuclear sound. Tonight he might go kill you. We did one your boy. You're wrong for contest Exodus. Go no a long talk and look at them and tell them one thing. Come look up, full up. Some boy, look up, full up a class. Come look up, full up a class. Come look up, full up. Nuclear, play for now till the morning, man. Me no feel like fist up. Why some of them come to my dance reggae music, some of them come to my give me band drop. Let me do. Put on me pants and put on me shirt and then me go put on me hat. The woman and a man them in the dance. Follow me. One of them get up on a rock. Some of them brown and some of them black, but some of them sim, but some of them fat. Let me say, some of them both them a bald, some of them a dreadlock. Some boy, run them a ball, them a eat them a laugh, them a drink, them a wine, them a feel, them a turn, them a stand, them a ball, them a.
Shoot. If I know who them run come this, chat bout them 9 will crew and Chris. Exodus we no feel no sound. Man a bad man sound. Certain soon I put on and send them straight. Well none of them no know 'cause them no find out yet. We got them on the big curfew. Man a bad Exodus. Squeeching out them 1 or 2 time. Lock them away where the sun don't shine. Though they crying now, they're begging for their lives. And we see now they never realize they think school cause they don't make them no nice. While boy talking Exodus, them working on the disguise. I saw them see we on a pose up with them gun. Pass this on no better look someplace he run. You know she said this a Exodus sound. Man a bad man sound. Yes, no better look someplace he hide. Go lock up in a jail, fast stay one side.
Exodus tell them say, well the hairstyle could never be a soul style. But what the one of them a get a while. Well the hairstyle could never be end of the sound style. Exodus get wild. Well the hairstyle could never be a soul style. But what the one of them a get a while. Well the hairstyle could never be nah. Exodus what? Exodus get to all I watch out them a profile. We are kill them with your latest dub style. And the whole of them never ever go on wild. Because we a got child, smile. When we a pass, watch the whole of them a criticize. Like physically them want to exercise. I so no understand and never realize. It is Exodus style, smile. Well, a sound style could never be our style. But just the whole of them a get a while. And a sound style could never be new kid.
Over 40,000 people are mad. Exodus sound ram dance hall. Watch how the posse them a beat down wall. A bunch of man dance say, where me say Exodus in a dance hall vibe can't stall. Make you rub and up them, one and all. One Exodus vibe can't stall. Where bunch of man dance say, well you a call me name. Tell them say come, we ready for them right, ready for them, we ready for them now. Exodus we don't come here to make fun. Come to the sound and kill sound and put them on the ground. We the rubber don't fight, we come to the rubber then don't go. When Exodus sound, you know we have the crowd. When I go to the band and band and champion sound. Over 40,000 people are bad. Exodus sound ram.
If you start them down, make sure. Yeah. I me say, Dep on street, naughty Dep on street. Oh, Dep on street, naughty Dep on street. Me say Dep on street, nuclear Dep on street. Anything test them to blood clean. We Dep on street again. Rude boy Dep on street again. Exodus, touch the road and come on get free. We Dep on street again. Bad boy Dep on street again. Rude boy Dep on street again. When me do, touch the road and the fools get free. We Dep on street again. Exodus, we no borrow one a friend, we no lend. If we borrow 5, we a give you back 10. Tell you already, we are one again. Dash the can, is a Romeo Lodge. And so it a go. Sound must go down. Or is a moderation from the dance to be sound. So it a go. Kick them down. We are the nuclear and we run the town. So it a go. Sound must go down. Or is a moderation from the trying dance with sound. So it a go. Kick them down. Hardcore nothing we are rude boys down. They in a dance hall, yes it a we diet. Mockery a play Exodus, no keep quiet. Fuck at a roll and nobody now riot. Send strength to we warrior, then like Goliath. How the man do? Crank up and fire shot. One Exodus tell me where nobody stop. Music and play and don't play that shop. Look out sound boy, I on the ground flat. So it a go. Sound must go down. I'm on the one test the nuclear sound. So it a go.
Oh yes. But excellent. To me say, intelligent. To me say, magnificent. Look on Mr. Man, top of the bread, them for the man enough confident. To me tell them, permanent. When I tell them, me read Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Jeremiah, Ezekiel, Samuel, Daniel, Isaiah, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Ezra, Obadiah, Judges, Ruth, Chronicles, and Zechariah, Proverbs, Number, King, Jobs, and Nehemiah, Psalms, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Zephaniah, Timothy, Titus,
original and Chicago. And then me look and me say this are the mad nuclear control mad nuclear go tell them nuclear ninja we provide them Rambo nuclear ninja that then commando nuclear ninja provide them Rambo nuclear ninja that then commando gravity style me like a okra come sucker me big dirty bumbo then some me fed up me look like a janko see nuclear then now you get a bad show why yo them must say that yo and no them must tell me that no
you know say no late song get run over. Exodus keep rinsing dubs in head. No need to ball, no need to beg. Exodus no save and lead. Oh Lord, hey. Now the skull bus, mother receive another jump and dead. Family and friends want more fish and bread. Somebody call the earth. As I jump and dead in ya, it needs to leave the turf. And make it quick because it's getting rather worse. Exodus no fit na powder the champion, neither nurse. See we don't no giant lash.
Young boy, we got news for you. Exodus gotta die for you. Exodus is gonna kill you now.
Exodus gonna throw you down. We've been through the fire, through the rain. Exodus live.
I know some feel like play our next bad combination. This is Shalom. Alongside the fireman.
Hey, bet you didn't know Exodus gonna cook for you. Hey, sound boy, I bet you didn't believe we would make it through.
Big up the fireman, Prophet on the way there.
Well, if you thought this clash would last for him.
Album release was when? Today? Yesterday?
Chris, him got a dubplate for you.
Hey, Shalom,
tell him.
Whenever, wherever, however, this way how we fuck you up like me and Ben Tower boy. Whenever, wherever, however, the sexy dose and now we kill you forever. Whenever, wherever, however, this way how we mash you up like me and Ben Tower boy. Whenever, wherever, however, Shalom, a judgment of
Hey, some little punk this with the other day, and Spears said them get away. Anyway, Exodus to them while they play, the whole of them a get sprayed. They fussy them a beg and a open pray. Get rid of bother with a gun play. But some little fool no know how bad sounds day. I'm not about AK. But anybody gets that door after hours that murder. Laugh and smile on Exodus style. We know the flex, we know the score. We are ready for whatever.
Hey, watch out, hey. Well, up here to be Nile, run downtown, run downtown, run downtown. Them there for heroes, Bangladesh, Winchester sound. Oh, it's on, oh, it's on. Them there for weakness, a man get gunned down, get gunned down, get gunned down. Exodus from here, so we kill them son, kill them son, kill them son. Watch the mix, up here young toddler, we have a stop shot. And when them busted, them gonna go rat-a-tat-a-tat-a. Oh, well, them is, well, that doesn't matter when them rock.
I tell them, yo, pussy over the sound, we get shot regular. Running a Exodus and get killed regular. When you know no big gun and come and look war. Well, if a war, then a war, war. Pussy over the sound, we get shot regular. Running a Exodus and get killed regular. When you know no big gun and come and look war. Well, if a war, then a war, war. From me gun them sight you, we ready for light you. Exodus them not like you. Well, we be Charles Brown, so we the big dirty eagle. Go on throw a punch like Tyson, yo. If you did what you could have chat, but pussy wall no fig way. Before we have to make a boy body dash way. Boy fig get gunshot. So Chris said, pussy got me coming.
Who knows Exodus come for kill him no? What make help up when we help you no? What about a double plate a couple shot the feel no? Wow, wow, wow. Question, whoa, a with sound and with sound Exodus fuck up. That sound they no good them be duck. Well, a with sound a frog bound them what up them cut and can't play and a baby sham them out and look. Yeah, a with sound and with sound Exodus fuck up. That sound they no good them be duck. Well, a with sound a frog bound them what up them cut and can't find a baby sham them out and look.
Why never know? Exodus and nuclear sound. Test the powers and deadly down. They never know the king man run down. Hey, hey, hey. If a guy was again, we get cold. Sign up Exodus like those down pussy hole. Then you would have the fool for some way roll. Young no down, people deal with them. Not in me tell them, folks, go where we don't know we got powers and sounds. When we send them out and me send them the word. Out, we are them. 1, 2, 3, not evil. Out, I know the man John say. Where we dash them corn from them born. We don't pick up the punk corn. We don't pick up them corn. We chill out and analyze what I want. And when we look at it.
Shut your mouth when Exodus talking. Disrespect gunshot will be walking. Or them bitch I can this. When dirty life now go shoot on miss. Boy, couple shot out on your black and blue. Who the fuck is you? Become this bad man on them crew. Gun take your measurement for your one apartment. Don't take me simple to anyway. Well, son I got dead Mr. early this morning. Wake we up and make we gun them yawning. Who tell them we got this? Cause Mr. Ricky now go shoot on this. Well, couple shot out on them black and blue. Who the fuck is you? Become this Exodus and them crew. Gun take your measurement for your one apartment. Not take me simple to me just decent. Look since it's even, gunshot you receiving. Perplexity breakfast on the metro the ceiling. See we and we crew, carry bad feelings. All them a go get us some gunshot healing, boy. Son I got dead Mr. early this morning. Wake we up and make we gun them yawning. Who
sound killer. Me no see no sound Exodus spreader. Uptown and downtown and all over. Kill sound of Kingston and Balaclava. Murder some sound out of Old Harbor. Kill that next one down a Guyana. Murder the next one a Antigua. Exodus, man a the killer. Watch ya. Fabulous Junior Demus boy we get the order. Enough sound boy go suck them mother. Girl piss pan them and give them golden shower. Jump and sink like a twin tower sound killer. Me no see no sound Exodus spreader. Uptown and downtown and all over.
None of mercy, Exodus gun them. Not so you, we gonna take it up you.
Long belly pendant, how we go? Amanda! I'm making about a big elephant, my long time, but chicken has like trouble. But it up!
None of mercy, Exodus gun them. Not so you, we gonna take it up you. For one disrespect, we will kill off the crew. Not so you, we gonna take it up you. You this Exodus, you gonna help you. A 7 and more, but we just kill a Steve, yo. You kick it up and go like a well done, bro. Me gun war murder, just until it turns true. Gunshot, you get till you black and you blue. No time, me get way out all perfume. Big Mac 11 and that bring me through. Not so you, me gonna take interview. You this Exodus, we are gonna kill off the crew. Not so you, me gonna take interview. One thing I say, Exodus God no shine, logic no shine. Church is respect we. Some of the muscle I your dirt, keep me not talk about the south side. Out of mercy, don't go we don't know shine church. Like it hurt. I return la murder. One thing I say, Exodus God no shine, logic no shine. Church is respect we. Some of the muscle I your dirt, keep me not talk. To kill his Exodus, work Jesus be dead. Make Exodus drivers through me tell them splurt. Who I think a joke and style shop a shirt. Who fool him up and tell him me to the work. Mackie left up a pout, now them skull burst. Big piece of fool, go lay down in a the hearse. Little more them carry you down there so in a the church. Mama Paul, Papa Paul and brother curse. Just till God come, you still a go under dirt. Big piece of fool, them no see say you a purge. Want this big murderer from tongue Kirk. If I want house man, you know that can't work. Nanny Bill man and them a shoot first. If I see you man, you know we don't nurse. Now take no chat like no gal we no curse. If we make a splurt and take off we sure. Blackberry pens give we for canal. Skirt Exodus pass them shut up all church. Mama and Papa we both then get hurt. Hands and fly and dance color go burst. Wicked we wicked and well known to hurt. Whole vampire know they get with blood. Thirsty murder people that is Exodus. Work them run with and they put in the
hey Bounty, give me a next song. Bounty, give me a next song.
Well done to hurt. Exodus tell them, me say your conviction Exodus first.
Teach them. No sound. Forward on the platform and play Bounty for Bounty for Bounty for days. We're full of bounty too, you know.
Your time not there for your life, it don't work. And then you walk out dead and go under the earth. You inform from my next, you don't answer to everyone of all it's no shine. Somebody dead same time. No, kill or be killed, you say the token till Exodus gun for boat. Your blood overspill. Exodus on the borderline. Big man kill everyone of all it's no shine. Somebody dead same time. No, kill or be killed, you say the token tell Exodus gun pop out. Your blood overspill, kill or be killed, you say the token tell Exodus gonna murder you know. With a murder informer, go live in a hell. Big Mac kill everyone, kill your friends still. Boy see me gun like a yan chest bill. The pit fool him up, tell him come confront me still. Him lay down in a road and blood overspill. Chop, Exodus gun cannot join ill. Gunshot that go shout your bone like mill. The murder informer Exodus them will. So when he call me name from them go mention kill. Chop, another bird me give you to a can pill. The murder informer Exodus them will. Kill or be killed, you say the token tell. Me big gun pop out and your blood overspill. Kill or be killed, you say the token tell. Exodus gonna murder, oh no, no. Go we no murder people and go live a bush. You coulda have 9 lives.
You listen no boy, we no fear. Bust me gun all halfway 3 square. Why? Some son boy body that them hear about them stop out the road.
me like them boy, you know study the road code. The Exodus nuclear gun a talk about it no load. The first beast pop up them skull chip up like Buddha who say so. Talk about Exodus gun they bust nothing. Last boy say so you no remember where you at. Never get a funeral much less a coffin. Gary just murder him and burn him to nothing. Left him in a gully and throw him for rotten. John crawl a pass and take them boy and them mutton. Say Exodus gun with red like a mutton.
Yo. Exodus, I miss and now it's gonna be time to shine. Lord and say a your time, yeah. It's gonna be time to shine. I gotta get what mine. It's gonna be, yeah. A little shine for me. Lyrics and flow, I circle the city. But I'm a fool of
real killers up. Sound boy head a boss way. Roll me with the conde. Kill from Sunday to Sunday. VIJAY tell a jump and fair run way. Cause anytime we gun rise up, it a go bust. Jump and a gunshot in a your face. If a pussy you a taste in a real life. In a real life. Exodus a play, jump and a get the race. In a real life. In a real life. A cap a shot in a your face. If a pussy you a taste in a real life. In a real life. Who say Exodus no play in a presumption?
So you know acids like a lunge. Kill a sound and then we grin and laugh. A dubplate chop up them a bumbo clot. They charge you for a pound. A come on assault. Whoa. Exodus when me tell you now. Kill a sound and then we grin and laugh. A dubplate chop up them bumbo clot. They charge you for a pound. Come on assault. Okay. Exodus say, fill up the youth them out of the slum now to bumbo clot. Army a go bust me shotgun to bumbo clot. A redemption of we come now to bumbo. And rise the youth them from the slum now to bumbo clot. Stop the cocaine, your bumbo clot. It's how much of the get your youth brain to bumbo. Me tell them blaze fire, more flames to bumbo. Well, we run the whole land to bumbo. Exodus say, kill a sound and then we grin and laugh. A dubplate go chop up them bumbo clot. They charge you for a pound. Come again. Exodus, we tell them now. Prime Minister, your bumbo clot. Governor General, your bumbo. Exodus a shot back to boy and a them bumbo. Exodus a shot parasite and a them bumbo clot.
When you come to Exodus school, you come to learn things. So I'm going to teach you a few things right now. Class is in session.
Capitan Elephant Man and Jamaica. Atta, give me that. Exodus nuclear Gary, where them say, what the man called Yo. Hey, what we been doing the fire? Yo. Hey, what profit? I want them. Hey, profit. Yo. Say them a bad man, there is them bad man. Seems like them want to go to bad man college. What we say? Be the hand out, say them a bad man. Them want some more Camille Paris. Yo, say them a bad man, there is them bad man college. Seems like them want to go to Exodus college. Be the hand out, say them a teach. You know me tell them to Exodus. Yo, turn up. Say them a bad man and make party man and kiss him up. Ball like a baby when scared them fuck him up. Run out and shot me use some hot water turn him up. Push him in a me yard. Me do for man them fight him up. Say my boss man and natty mark and them bring him up. Climb up in a swamp and make mosquito sting him up. Drop him like a key in the rasta man them shine him up. Jam me so now bet him up. Well Exodus coulda pick them, coulda slide them, coulda run them, can't hide. Exodus control our side. Well them coulda flip them, coulda flap them, try climb up on the top, them jump up. In my brother, Babylon can't see. It's a food where we go surfer. Them one know who Exodus a worker. Them can't pay Rasta man not chop changer. The killer say I am me employer. But not straight so not take me for stranger. Me run the range go and go tell the Lone Ranger. You the sleep of it, the freeze the king you win a danger. Oh you fish at and a shot Batman. Oh you fish at and a shot lesbian. Oh you fish at and a shot pagan. Oh, you fish at and afraid the policeman. Never yet try to invade the station. Never test the drinks, never test the bunk, never test the jump. That mean you a ramp. If a black people right, them don't care a damn. You ever met the gate fish at the Queen of England? Ever met the gate fish at Jack Parkinson? Elephant man. Elephant man. You see we? You see Exodus and the family? We don't like it. Well, I see you where the shot of them say. From you don't like Ratty man, then me want to see you gun right away. Cause we fund them and we run them. But the boy a careful now go friend. You don't like batty man. The shot I just wave your mark then. Apple and sing so me
let me see the hand them where you done batty man. Let me see the hand them where you done lesbian. Let me see the hand them where you done Satan. Let me see the hold on. Let me see the foot them where you kick batty man. Let me see the foot them where you kick lesbian. Let me see the foot them where you kick Satan. Let me see the weak. Let me see the strong. Let me see the shark. Let me see the long.
Hey, let me see the hand, make me go so. Every day they get up and I metal with backside. Woman so sweet and I want to ride. Look remember, you can't run but you can't hide. Everyone now, nobody ship a go capside. Batty man be dead, take them by surprise. Come here so, shut out batty boy eye. Me think I
a rail up. Why them a rail up?
Anytime they wish I'm on a downtown and twist and laugh. Badang, badang, one stone boy, I put on the rate again. Badang, this don't boy. Don't turn up if the war started. Gonna pull so one can't party. Till the back can Exodus started. And them can't get it and them be gonna market. Turn up if the war started. Gonna pull so one can't party. Till the back can wait one a party. And them can't get it and them be gonna market. So I'm a type block meal. They call them never feel. And that one and them get paid in the end and next year. Them patient at them bad. But to them for what deal. And them money them not wait yo. So what you think when Exodus a squeeze? When I better watch the sweet pussy wall with dead with these. Blow it like a breeze in a wall like these. Them you gonna seize. When they get me grieve, me gun pop out. Them man so pop freeze. One fell on his knees. This like a fasty steep. Buck him a bellies. Him out naive. Away him believe. When they get me grieve, while go long proceed. Exodus sound for murder them. Don't play touch up off and murder them. You murder them. Then if I war galang proceed. Exodus sound for murder them. How them jump and never murder them. You murder them. When I respond what them do, when I care about what them say. Cause Exodus I swear, pass you all along the way. Whether night or day, them you gonna play. Fear about a day, and that is okay. I'm in today, my dose is on the way. With glass and AK, just where them city way. Man make out of clay, so they will decay. When them gonna sway, Exodus them say. War galang proceed. Exodus son for murder them. Don't play it as a pop and murder them. Before war galang proceed. Exodus son for murder them. And when them come from the fire.
And look and say, you can tell the world Exodus no most black. Run go tell the nation we no lick one papa. He gonna we a boss name shoot out head back. Dash out man marrow, he coat heart flat. Copper shot and nail inna them soul.
Exodus jump, them come up and we when them know them shouldn't try. Needless to give me no excuse when I take all my boy, your skull guy fly.
Needless to say no more, somebody skull off the more.
Pass me see you no more.
Exodus scare him. Sound guy fi dead, we no gonna help him. I no think so Dandy might tape him. We only want some gunshot chase him. Overtake vehicle and erase him.
When time him dead, man take him.
Gonna live hurts, it not gonna hurt him.
This is a trip and not a warning.
One the might kill one.
Ross, we kill son boy, boo, and that son boy. You're the Dino, rip from your war, Exodus, away your war. I must some capacity to let them go home, go tie, no brick control, make road through your ma. I would tell them bit and the father, Chris Ram, Mr. Mowbray, your war, Exodus, away your war. Must them capacity to let them go home, go tie, no brick control, make road through your ma. I would tell them bit and the yo, look how God give your precious life, and you compete with. So you've been searching for that. Well, see,
Lord. Yeah, me just a fire burn, a word without words. I got a lot of family to feed, and me have two you gotta breathe. Some are coming to the van full of weed, but not from
this boy no live by no land harder. Him talk about things systeming the bad and the elder. This boy too, you report not the cleaner. Once they want to collect us, Mr. Dreamer, I think I'm bring them to them in a cleaner. Go, bad man from who's that? This boy no live by no land harder. Him talk about things system in the bad and the elder. This boy too rude and hot harder. Carry just beat him like children and father. The boy no live by no land harder. Him talk about him system in the bad and the elder. This boy too rude and hot harder. Carry just beat him like children and then as this boy drop a prison them just bow him handa. And they start move like some scuba diver. Look how ya want the boy still like MacGyver. Even if him thirsty swallow back your saliva. Him never stop the killers them be him driver. Right out him back and night like slave driver. Watch all the in the middle them walking wider. Tell Gary about a woman him get slider.
Yeah man, how are you say man? See them there.
Them never know. Why you want to go Exodus slap them show. That's the train, the big up to you. Shabba, watch it. No respect, disrespect, in all aspects. Some boy don't know who they might deal with. Them stop and check, just want them disrespect, in all aspects. Them don't know who they might deal with. Them stop. Shabba go tell them how we protect our no life. I don't know. They don't know what sleep we are patrol out. I know the Uzi. How we are care, don't know life. I don't know. James, me go tell them where I go on. Them never know. Why you want to go on? Exodus slap them show. That's the train, the big up to you. Shabba, watch it. No respect, disrespect, in all aspects. Some boy don't know who they might deal with. Them stop and check, just want them disrespect, in all aspects. Them don't know who they might deal with. Them stop. Shabba go tell them how we protect our no life. I don't know. They don't know what sleep we are patrol out. I know the Uzi. How we are care, don't know life. I don't know. They don't know what sleep we are patrol. Exodus we is the master own big man. We run we own show. We no response to sorry. Or if we did know about this, the program in I'm facing blood flow. Go like Alaska in the time. Snow. When me chat, me no cater for no fool, nah, no back and belly rat. Dig off your inner belly, you have a teach it up back. And you want to eat your wicked, get your
It's fabulous. From no side taxi, don't on a better road. No way till we back it over, we go. Men pop out, we don't roll it up. Blood a go run, X amount of people die if I go. Exodus, papa shot. Remember me telling no trust that you're the middle school. Yeah, he's about that to my American, I'm a better power, apprentice engineer. He's a Paul Elliott. He's a fabulous. From no side taxi, don't on a better road. No way till we back it over, we go. Men pop out, we don't roll it up. Blood a go run, X amount of people die if I go. Exodus, papa shot. Remember me telling no trust that you're there. Man a bust so much back, no mangle at Shabba's blood. But if we gun them come back well then. Exodus we kill 100 past bat. Wicked that jokesy pulled it up back son boy. Over there so I lost my and chat that's why dead. Bandit gun them made chop look dead. We a go bury them in a their sound box. Papa shot Exodus no bust let from well. And your mama and your papa a go they think we smile. When we a run we gonna red early morning. We go take your brother out of it in a public. Shot him and bust him head him dead. You know you where Exodus them said. And we pop out we go to the bone like a river chart and a bone.
We tell them no retreat, no surrender. We not lotion, pet and powder. Mama say no retreat, no surrender. We not lotion, pet. Watch this, we not powder, pet and lotion this year. Sound guy tell them sample the wheel. Make up blood, legalize. Jokes legalize, show me.
Both them are century, them mean them dead.
Oh gosh, watch this.
I need t-shirt, yes.
No retreat, no surrender.
Tell them, Terror.
Lotion, pet and powder. Mama say no retreat, no surrender. We not lotion, pet.
No one here.
We not powder, pet and lotion this year. Sound guy tell them sample the wheelchair. Bad like a stallion, kick like a beer. That now go matter we still not go clear. Exodus sound, fire extra gear. Things stuck my phone side, the inside clear. No retreat, no surrender. Him not lotion, pet. Exodus tell them no retreat, no surrender. We not lotion, pet. Involved.
What was that? Well, if a war, then a war with machine on the far. We no afraid and a sound through them face full of scar. God no watch face, we no care who you are. Out you like who? If your body on the tower, well, if a war, then a war, we never tell you no again. Don't shut already, now we ready for defend. X amount of ammunition, they are sufficient from your ear. Then somebody like I say we no want a new friend from them. A puss all of them. Who condemn them and them bottom and character friend. Hang them. Who send them up in front them back ten. Bomb and a ramp with book and then we shatter them red. Well, Bobby with me crew or me one away. When me gonna stray, bet you gonna pray. Who say you live to see another day? AK if a gun play, this a team okay. Who talked out killers, don't play.
As if I pass the try to test, well they make
like we do the rest. We are the wickedest set of man in the west. You shouldn't try for this because we got them not gonna see. Some pussy fi done them bullshit shit quick.
Well, if a war, then a war we machine on them far. We no afraid and no sound through them face full of scar. Don't know watch face, we no care who you are. Out you like, who left your body on the tar. Well, if a war, then a war we not gonna tell you no again. Get done chat already, now we ready to defend.
Steady up, humble hole in the bus. Sexy does have a rubber grip. Me bust up boy head for the fun of it. We no take styling from nobody. Anywhere we go fi boy with a new suit to the pier fi go panic. Murder the fuck of them. Run it out fast then we turn it up again. Exodus nuclear or the government. You see they will fuck your girl tomorrow she come again. Exodus nuclear don't love man brother. So no cause no eruption, brother. Exodus nuclear, fall black rain pan a bright sunny day. Yeah, you make Exodus nuclear sound. It can't fire rocket. Light up the place like a fire rocket.
You would have said all boy. It's my boom, bye in a body boy. One of the more than ask the man them off day. Boom, bye in a body boy. Exodus up over body man them off day. Woman hug up and a kiss up and a rub up in a bed. Hug up and a head and a rub down leg. Send for the matic and the Uzi instead. Shoot body work on them we shot them dead. Just look at that Sharon and them who have the fat boom big in the leg. Tell a bend back away and accept the peg it coulda. I like a paper, she still not go fled. And some man go on the party raid. Fear party business, them love me say boom bye in a party boy. Boy a promote and ask the man them a fit. Bye in a party boy. Gangs and up, Exodus words.
Hey, mess up top boss. I know represent Exodus nuclear sound. Hey, Mr. Father, roll me them boy, you know we. Hey, Mr. VJ, them can't this TJ. Hey, Mr. Blacks. Hey, Mr. Austin. Them know the thing in them. Notorious smoke force.
Exodus nuclear. Exodus nuclear. Them man go fuck up in them. Attack, no more. Keep up, can't stop. Ooh, sing up, nuclear. Them man killer. So we move, so we rock, so we sip with it.
Them know the thing in them. Notorious smoke force.
Exodus nuclear. Exodus nuclear. Them man go fuck up in them. Attack, no more. Keep up, can't stop. Ooh, sing up, nuclear. Them man killer. So we move, so we rock, so we sip with it. Move, youth, wet, give up, get, jack, quicker. Make a dance, couple triangle, take a picture. Exodus nuclear, I go fuck up in a drift. I bet you fuck up in ya. Move, you, woo, drift. I bet you fuck up in ya. Gala, wine, and a drift. Exodus, I go fuck up over there so. Walk over there so, then we turn up over there so. Cigar hot girl, bigger car than hello. VIJay, make the place get mellow. Blacks them a tell you, so we do we thing. She and them a fling. Skip with enemy, them master shine a spin. Camera, action, film. When we go outside, lock tongue in building, I bet you fuck up in your drift. Them drift. I bet you fuck up in your move, you, woo, drift. I bet you fuck up in your gala, wine, and a drift.
Anyway, youngster for life, boy. Exodus, nuclear, some boy never hear. Yeah. Tell them they ain't the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Legend, now have time for chat boy. Gun in him and prepare for chat boy, yo. Shot. Anyway, youngster for life, boy. Exodus, nuclear, some boy never hear. Yeah. Tell them they ain't the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Legend, now have time for chat boy. Gun in him and prepare for chat boy, yo. They ain't the real McCoy. They're just some baby boy. Them a talk me now have time for chat boy. Gun in a me and no. Anyway, you can't come from man ends and tell man about gun down. You must know why your tabernacle get burned and left the place before sundown. Bring my gun come, boy chat up and see my face and turn down. Can't stop for line. Them so war no legend. Exodus nuclear. Oh, boss, over them things stand there. Well, some pussy. Yo, them want war, eh? Them a fret still. No see a dead still. Cause where we come from, very often.
Gary, tell a sound boy, alright. Inna your nose, Exodus. Shoot the 45 up inna them nose. Inna your nose. Clear. Exodus, grab us up the kappa, gonna go so baka. Don't like we talk you man that turn it up baka, yeah. Better than Bin Laden, colder than Osama. Sakana no mama, this I know. Alright then.
Yeah, Exodus nuclear is not a sound to fuck around with. Submachine, hear that? Conscience I represent.
Teacher, when you say everything good, everything bless up. Teacher, me want me give you a fun fact. Exodus, the nuclear. I bet you couldn't tell me where the nuclear come from. That is everybody's misconception. The nuclear does not represent a bomb. So when Father Rome built him sound and add the name nuclear, it was because it was the newest and the clearest sound system. Big up the artists in the building, Singer J.
You mean who say Exodus nuclear? Even the Father Rome watching again, watching a VIJAY, watching a Danger, watching a Brian. Them know the things set up, brothers, one man is in watching New York, Japan, all over. Yo, Batman sound. You know Exodus, right? Nuclear sound. You see it? All day we be killing hard. In a sound clash. The war up, but the victory sweet. Father Rome believe Exodus we go and kill a sound. After all the clash, nuclear been true. Them can't kill with sound. Gary kill some sound. Men no good. We go and kill a sound. Exodus nuclear. We go and kill a sound. A danger a play. We go and kill a son, Exodus nuclear, I go kill you.
Exodus, tell us so no mess with us. Bumbo clot, Exodus come to shoot and kill. Jump and sound, better ride them will. Me say enough of them, lose them life a try fi clash. End them life with a rifle shot. Me no know how I'm to them sound, yeah. Exodus are the baddest thing round, yeah. Me say enough of them, lose them soul fi gain the world. So danger, fuck them girl. When you talk about Exodus, real sound kill at them. Another jump and sound and get kill again. Cause when you bust your rifle, no jump and can't.
I am big because I'm killer what bridging garden. Oh, nuclear, so you face, and you don't.
Vex, I tell you, this one in the trigger to Garnet Silk. Ready?
They regard us as animal, over you don't preserve as cannibal. Oh, them say Exodus came from A, but we know the truth, so they are late. We know where we are going, and we know where we are from. So to hell with you, and you brainwash education, Exodus salsa youth, innovation. That was there for me, everyone. Waiting for his right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Zion, Exodus nuclear Zion. Oh, well,
rest in peace to the artists here. Frankie Paul, talk to them.
Exodus have a new dump, carry 19 tune. Last night we built it, we have no name for it. New dump, carry 19 tune. Last night we built it, we have no name for it.
Tell them, Frankie.
Ooh, now that you are here with us, the big bad nuclear gonna dust them tonight. Yeah, we gonna kill them Sunday one by one. I wanna hear you sing with me. Friday a song by it, them think I could read that. Exodus just throw down a jump and sound. Try test the champion sound. Friday a song by it, them think I could read that.
Don't talk the business. When you see Exodus, just keep by your mouth. Don't talk the business.
Sound boy, keep by your mouth, keep by your mouth, keep by your mouth, just be keep by your mouth, keep by your mouth, keep by your mouth, keep by your mouth, just be keep by your mouth. Every posse get ready, come to the rock steady. It's Exodus nuclear time again. Why? Just keep on moving. Yeah. And keep on moving. Yeah, yeah,
yeah. How we kill the ninja? How we kill the ninja? Exodus nuclear kill the ninja. Yeah, yeah.
Wow, 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 yeah.
The sound gives fever. Exodus gives fever in the morning. Exodus gives fever in the evening, in the night. Oh yeah. As we kill the ninja son boy, Lord we dangerous. We kill the ninja. We kill the ninja. And them a great sense in me, yeah. Oh yeah.
This is the original Exodus for nuclear sound. Blazing it, murdering sound boys anytime they come around. With no apology, Father Romy, just play the tune and murder them. Ow, my song is to the end of time. Ow. We ain't much for all them sounds, yeah. Exodus, nuclear, and a jump and sound ain't never been friends. Oh no. Don't you know how much nuclear are the ruler? Father Romy gonna kill them time and time again. Gary just click them till them backs turn over. Cook them like hen and rooster. The mid-range and them tweeter. Don't let them get away.
Exodus, sing a Jesus. Come here, say, from a year sound you're playing. But I make some pussy chat, just go and play your own thing. You know you're not temper thing. You not sponge pan no sound, you have your own catch spending. Take them and them, we gonna bring back the dub. Where them borrow this money, Exodus sound, don't borrow up. Come on, so just play them and go on Exodus. Sing a chain, stick to the sound on no be play. God knows I never let
Family Maximilian, I know it seems like I jump and I try to take over, but them get some double chop when pass and carry them and over. Tell them sound that we just try pull over. Exodus not drive Land Rover, miss a clover. It seems like I jump and I try to take over, but them get some double chop when pass and carry them and over. Tell them sound that we just try pull over. Exodus not drive Land Rover, miss a clover. Enough selector rich and them body abund them. Can't go and see because them leave them bang them. Nah touch them because me know them condemn. Carry on me the rope and make me cast it and hang them. When they don't know the Exodus not come me friend them. What a fire but we come back them. Then we run them the same take a jump and a try to take over. And we get some double chop when pass and get them and over.
Bawaba, baba, bing bing, I pass, baba, bing bing, bye, baba, bing bing, baba, Exodus, don't shot with the posse and left them for suffer. For them because they war, we guns are get no fat, cause life are get proper, the streets are get tougher. Exodus, when the cat in the beg you go far. Come as up till touch it, some me no bluffer. Try and come out the road, because straight out of Russia. The calico we must something, the road as the flusher. Them war ready, them again.
Exodus. Tell them say X, Y, Z, lick the nail up on the head. You can't bend when man say batty man for dead. If on a bend, then wanna forget the copper hand leg. Bellevue, when the big on them there. Tell them say you know, see we in a batty man car. You know, see we in a batty man a bar. You know, see we sit down in a batty man bar. Go Exodus a batty man a bar. And then again you know, see we with no girl if she a star. You know, see we with no boom come on a star. We not go left the girl them too far. Cause bad man them post like cigar. Bellevue we set the trend, we see no sound of Allah. In a way we pala, we say them come a walla. Books to you go bunks, them a family truck Allah.
Exodus. Whoa. Jump up, everybody jump up, everybody jump up. Pop, everybody jump up. Let me say, raise your hand in the air. Tell them Exodus gone clear. Raise your hand in the air. Exodus nuclear gone clear. I will tell you how, I say I will tell you when. Tell them Exodus sound you better than them. Dub with no borrow, me say dub with no lend. Go round the bend, me say go tell it to you. It's edit the thinking, edit the talk. Right from the start, edit the thinking, edit the talk. Right from the start. Put your thing the toes, make you think it might Jesus Christ. Whole time something come back again. Go round the bend and go tell your friend. When me check it out loud, now we're no better than your yard. When me check it out loud, now we're no better than your yard. But why? Up in the hills where the streams so cool. The jungle one them all let us swimming in the pool. 3 she goat and 2 black ram. Acres of banana, acres of yam. Check it out, lad. Now we're no better than your yard. When me check it out, lad. We're no better than your yard. Exodus tell them.
Sha-la-la-la-la, cha. Cause Exodus a big sound, so no sound can shape we now we call la 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 la. Cause if you try that up here, all a pint bullet, see where you swallow la la la. And now we see when we come here night, come and sing sha la 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 la. Exodus cause you a tough nigga, no hook nigga, no book nigga. Life done when we slum nigga, man a life nigga, I shitter.
Elephant man, give me the egg right now, busting a bottom and I tell him I'd be. Yo, Exodus, guess what? Hey!
How me here a go a Batman club go spend? How me here a go a Batman club go hang? Without wire, Batman friend. Show me them. Exodus done the fuck and then Tiffany man pass me the back pen. Man from Augustown and Catburn pen. TG Dunkirk and you went then. Shooty, give me the you ungrateful fucker. Send them a bush, go make them cut banana sucker. Left the girl, them and go turn man fucker. If you want the puss, Exodus set the butter. Chop off the bed and you want one more start a war, one more rest in peace. One more party job, get a coffee and a read. One more start a war, one more rest in peace. Some sound no love them, no if so them run down block. Exodus war we a kid them. How them fit take where we gone when I no fit them. All them a hype gear even see them. War can't done Exodus stage begin. And it a go get ready if you fuck me pigeon. Send them a madam it's a bad to start the bridging. Call the undertaker over me pay to the digging. Exodus no love
Nickel, give it to some look of Francis. You know, Exodus switching man and tell we bite both of them. Tap them up, hypocrite and parasite both of them. Tap them up, how them want this war, tell them start it make we tap them up. Both of them, tap them up, both of them. You know we roll when we roll rape up and attack them. You know we roll when we roll chichi and attack them. You know we roll when we roll in come and attack them up. Both of them, tap them.
Exodus I say, rise the gun them, the mac you left foot them. Bust it till even, come in a back friend. I'll be there if you this way. Me shut a friend at them a defend me. Rise the gun them, the mac you left foot them. Bust it till even, Exodus not back friend. I'll be there if you this way. Me shut a friend at them a defend me. Rise the clock them, say na na na. Rise the mac them, say cha cha cha. Bust it till even, say na na na. Exodus who them a send? Exodus no keep fussy friend. Any boy face me a rubbish with them who them send. Exodus no keep fussy friend. We know say we a go kill them. Who them a send? Exodus no keep fussy friend. Any boy face me a rubbish with them who them send. Exodus no keep fussy friend. We know say we are the children yet. We give we pass, make we lift them on the bypass. Get lost. Now, who you want your pass? Make me show them in a weakest, yeah. Exodus, you know, we are the best, nah. Move us, the world come out of me way. Exodus, we not come here to play.
Hello, you all like me? My fucking niggas, you know we can't see. You blow me the breeze. Yo, so what you think when Exodus a squeeze? Wanna better watch the speech, pussy wall with dead release. Blowing like a breeze, in a war like this. Them ya gonna seize, wanna they get me grease. Me gun pop out, them a top a freeze. Man fell on his knees, this make a passing steep. Fuck him a bellies, him a half naive. Away him believe, wanna they get me grease. Far along proceed. Exodus sound for murder them. You play a touch up over third of them. You murder them. Then if a war galang proceed. Exodus sound for murder them. How them jump and never heard of them.
Hear me. Bad man, don't apologize to nobody, boy. If you're this Exodus nuclear concert, your boy. Give me the one of the girls because of them above the joy. And the lake of fire, me that's your boy. Exodus Nuclear, you don't know a Judgment Yard. Rapping for the best, you don't know no Father Rome. Exodus Nuclear, because myself Father Rome, Geary stay so you know. Juxi killer me I tell about who. Black stay so you know. Kick off. VIJAY and Judge Chris. Banging. Exodus Nuclear.
Exodus nuclear be near. All the days of the life. Work, student, queer, behold with their sight. Some will share, others do as they like. Some is just your flesh, them want free tear with all them fork and the knives. Some don't care, the rat is like ice. Waiting to see you fall nuclear, yes, you holding firm. Everyone deserve to earn the most I crown us all with success. Holding firm, and them table bound for turn. They won't think us in the mess. Chat bout I'm rude with an attitude, yeah. Me no choose some, me no lose, so tell them
just a killer sound up on the corner. Keep it calm, make us smarter. We listen next to us up on the highway. With the highest grade to get into my head. Exodus a killer sound up on the corner. Keep it calm, make us smarter. We listen next to us up on the highway. With the highest grade to get into my head. Yeah, this. At times VIJAY steam it, at times him bake it. Untouchable give it to some of him brethren and him sisters. So use it. It's the king of the forest, Babylon, they don't like it. Chop it up, they heap it up, and then them decide.
I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Exodus, come on, let's throw one down. Give me the rhythm, cause I've got a feeling, oh Lord, I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Exodus, come, we're gonna throw one down. Give me the rhythm, now I've got a feeling, champion sound. There's never a song like this. You know, Exodus making a dance. No wonder why people love it so. You give them the feeling. I am in the mood to kill a sound. Exodus, come on, let's throw one down. Give me the rhythm, cause I've got a feeling. Oh, Lord.
God, this is murder. Exodus, kill a jump on. God, this is murder. Another jump on Delhi. Killing the sound boy is Exodus enjoyment. Jump on your dead in the downs. Exodus kill your sound wow. Exodus kill your sound wow. So why you dead in the downs. Exodus just a play. If you see a sound boy searching for old dubs, hey, nobody feel no way. Exodus just a play.
Broke out Exodus, cause them can't hold me. Big up Supermark, man, Shabba, and the youth called Gary. Cause the breeze no blow no ship, no dock in the harbour. Come up, Mr. Man, come step on them, can't say. Oh, Exodus, a trouble, a pure trouble, lover. Sound boy, watch what you play, and I know you oppose. Cause Exodus waiting to explode. Watch your step and where you push your toes. Cause Exodus is a heavy load. Temptation wanna push you on the line. Never play blind. Among the sound we kill is more than 49. Your idiot sound might be next in line. Oh, murder. Another sound boy balling out. Murder. Still can't answer. Now you know what killing sound is all about. Hey, the sound stop, run out your mouth. All the sounds take different avenue. Hold your root, forget about your bench. You always wanna be the center of the crowd. Laba, you're talking out aloud. Even the innocent sound will have the ball. When Exodus flinging dub in a day and soul. Murder. Another sound boy balling out. Murder. Still can't answer no. Murder. Another sound boy balling out. Murder.
Yes, now you go on.
Speak softly, sound boy, so no one hear your voice tonight. The Godfather's gonna dust you and throw you out of sight.
Hey, this is the Godfather for all of the man them out there. No other than Mr. Alton Ellis for Exodus Nuclear.
Thank you, Mr. Kenwood. Introduction of class. Intellectual we play. Sound boy we kill every day. Exodus. Look here. Hey. Gotta kill a tin pan sound. Throw them down to the ground. Look here. When Exodus play, every sound run away now. They cannot. Thank you, Mr. Ken.
Exodus Nuclear.
Thank you, Mr. Kenwood. Introduction of class. Intellectual we play. Sound boy we kill every day.
VIJAY, don't
Exodus. Look here.
Explain nuclear. Yet to them.
Gotta kill a tin pan sound. Throw them down to the ground. Look here.
Exodus Nuclear.
Thank you, Mr. Kenwood. Introduction of class. Intellectual we play. Sound boy we kill every day. Exodus. Look here. Hey. Gotta kill a tin pan sound. Throw them down to the ground. Look here. When Exodus play, every sound run away now. They cannot play Exodus way now. I said they tried to play like Exodus play. Believe me, don't you try and test. Exodus is the best. And when you try, you will vex. Now, Exodus sound is the best. So hear me. Listen to me what I say to you. Exodus sound.
Is what?
He's a champion sound.
Tell him I'll tell you this.
Exodus sound. Hey, Exodus. Look at that.
All right, breathe on medley here.
Gotta kill a big band sound.
Anytime they're ready.
Show them down to the
I'm full of Alton Ellis too.
Look here.
Don't get it twisted. Ready up.
Watch me. Hey. See me on a big, big sound.
See we are.
Hey.
Tell them Mr. Ellis. Ready.
I am still in love with the Exodus sound. Don't run, come test. You're the best. I am still in love with the champion sound. Say, and hear me.
I'm telling you already, we're not going nowhere. We're there the same way.
With the number one sound.
Tell him, Gary. Teach him. Ready again.
Hey, I'm still in love. I love no other song but Exodus.
Are you ready for our next Alton Ellis?
Look here now.
Want the next one? All right.
Exodus boy, you're the best.
Alton Ellis again. Ready? I'm just a sound.
Look here.
Exodus Nuclear.
I'm just a man.
Listen to the Alton Ellis segment.
Hey.
Straight Alton Ellis. Are you ready again? Are you ready again?
Look here. We Exodus. Everybody love you. They love the sound now.
Sure,
you're the champion sound now. We Exodus. Everybody love you. They love the sound now. You're the one that runs the town. Look here. In the days of sound system, Exodus Nuclear.
Teach him.
When the Exodus.
Tell him already.
Whoa.
Full of Alton Ellis show here. Ready again. From 1986 till now.
All the other sound know that we are the best. Hey.
Hold on, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. More Alton Ellis. Ready again.
I cannot forget the night I hear Exodus. No. He plays rubber dub in the morning. Play
rubber dove in the evening. Now that he's here, Exodus have no fear. I'd never, 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 I'd never, 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 I'd never play with nothing but sound again, and now you're dead. Oh no, you're so dead, sound boy. Hey, 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 look here. Why some jump and sound follow the number one sound now? No, why some sound system follow Exodus? Cause he's the best. Oh, why some trees are so tall, while some sound are so small? No, why all them tin pan sound try to test Exodus new? Look at now. Lord, why you test? Now you're dead, sound boy. Look here. Hey, rock with me, cause I'm the king of sound. I can only throw you down to the ground. Look here. You see that
Exodus
you
Nuclear.
can contest now. You hurt nobody but yourself, sound boy now. The dub you play, you're going to throw them away. Exodus sound will teach you from sound system every day, every day. Look here, Exodus. We are the champion sound.
Hold on. You want another fun fact? Want the next one? A sound named Sovereign Syndicate. You have them on your platform yet? No, not yet? England, yeah. They were at Dancehall Thursdays. All right. During COVID, we named Clash. Online love injection platform. I write them off with them Alton Elysia.
Straightly. Oh, yours truly, Alton Elysia. Exodus. Every day. Remember. Look here. I'm a sitting in the dance, waiting to kill you. One more time. Sitting in the dance, waiting to kill you. Oh yes. Look here. A sound boy sure to die. As Exodus walks through the door now, knowing all the time, Exodus is the number one sound in town. No other sound can test. He's the very best. Dubplate, knock your chest. No other sound. Look here. Watch this. Exodus, nuclear sound. Is the number one sound. Boy, you going to die.
Neighbor, bigger. Now all Exodus crew, and that's it. Hold this one now. D-Brown says so. Yeah, oh, now. Hey. Run away now. Here Exodus comes. See, Exodus been watching you lately, trying to taste a nuclear sound. How long you think you can last when when you're really moving too fast. Let me say, look at runaway sound boy. Hey, I say runaway sound boy, yeah. Runaway sound boy, you and your drum and sound. Exodus will lick you down. Hey, look here. It's not the songs you play, nor the things you say. It's the selection that you play. Let me say, hey, runaway sound boy. I say, runaway sound boy. Yeah, now. Runaway sound boy. You and your timpan sound. Exodus will lick you down. Yeah. Go on, nuclear sound. Go on, nuclear sound. Go on now. Go on now.
Exodus nuclear without fear, you know, in higher gear, you know me I say, yeah! You don't know in our righteousness, you know, we bless and give thanks every time, because you know, same Pride Celestial rules and reigns. Well, watch the meditation and them get the confusion, you know me I say, because them can't take the meditation. No illusion for us to surprise the ice, you know. Aye! We're up on the calm meditation. Hey, them see the vibes on it to flow and them well want to know. Cool conversation. Tell them Exodus it is the sound to go. Well Babylon, drop back your bow. Put down your arrow. Who do you think is peace as your pity? Big time sorrow. Ethiopia's been reigning from a long time ago. From David dynasty, King Selassie on the throne. He was the governor when he was 12 years old. So never you ever try to disrespect just gold. Go hungry for righteousness and thirsty. I sound of such compassion.
Waiting. Exodus the sound without end. Yeah. The hypocritical sound system and them cause the problem. G-Wings, nuclear sound without end. Yeah. The hypocritical sound system and them cause the problem. Roll on, idiot sound on the show want to decide unite. Hold on, yes. But Exodus protected by the Almighty eye. No matter where them do or they try. This is the choosing sound so they can't survive. Oh, cause the sound without end.
Believe the Emperor Haile Selassie. I will listen to mics to the righteous way. Let it play.
Exodus, we not gonna stand up in the ways of sinners. I sit up in the seat of the scornful. But only life is in the Lord. We meditate on it night and day. Jano, we not gonna stand up in the ways of sinners. I sit up in the seat of the scornful. But only life is in the Lord. God, we meditate on it night and day. Hey, now Satan is an evil man. Destruction is his ultimate plan. He's always trying to lead the children astray. The nuclear will be strong. So is this our temptation? Will not let our soul go in decay.
I see jumping from all over and to criticize the young. Races from my corner, them visualizing I'm on power. But the lion is within. Give the Exodus to sing. Then to my family and foe, tell them Mount Zion the higher go. Just cause the I now lose now. Now put my foot in a failure shoe. Said I don't come here for lose. Nah, we're last and forever.
To divide and rule is their only plan, their only plan. I am a fool to let them overcome. Exodus our king in this jungle, seated up so high and so humble. I've seen some boy fall, and they stumble along the way.
Exodus nuclear, a one nation, no other sound we no fear. Jokes a killer, hey, Jamari, VIJAY, yo, Gary. Exodus nuclear. When you see we are so looking like we lost, yeah. When I lost, we just are looking at our thoughts. And bring some little jump and us them a pass. Knock like so perfect, them sound they all like half long. Before the COVID thing, the enough sound, I wear a mask, yeah. Watch them keenly as them try go round the bus, yeah, yeah. Loyalty come with the cause, you know, if you ask, you know them sound they have to last. Cause anytime you dub too big Exodus, them we take you for a fool, and this is why we are kill sound, man. This is why we are killed sound, man. Yes.
Well, alright, Exodus nuclear I go play today, so we know say them afraid. Cause what a problem when time them big dub ya a play, some boy run up in at them dead. I Exodus I play the best around here, and them murder jump on everywhere. I say please kill them sound ya feel we can just win the clash. Exodus nuclear, me why you kill these sounds like you did before. Exodus nuclear make some fool jump on. Them can't clash no more. Tonight we come fi kill jump on. Them send them one fi test we how where them sound ya come from, yes. Kill these sounds like we did before.
Kill them now. I see my pocket is empty. No money to buy drugs. Bottles is hungry. Don't ask to worry. Exodus nuclear is playing, rolling in the long ball. A little sambo is crying, a little jump and ball. Jump and so wide the spark to run. I'm way down. Don't you know Exodus nuclear release? Don't wait.
Still I say big Exodus, tell them I wanna be a shepherd. Why? Walk through this land and preach him good word. Cause I was raised up in Christ. Yes, and if I count your Exodus to put me under the earth, come again. I wanna be a shepherd, lad. Walk through this land and preach him good word. Cause I was raised up in Christ. Yes, and if I count your father, Roby, put me under the earth. Oh, give every strength of the Almighty God. Guide and protect me every day when we chat. Now let we down, now you must see mad. Always I run, Exodus feel glad. Moses in the hill I make a stand up read the rod. Who said no God no them but me no say them mad. Who it, Juxi killer push me hand like a flag. And in the ear, not to us, kick after them. I wanna be a shepherd. Why? Walk through this land and preach him good word. I was raised to preach.
Say some boys afraid of we. Some boys afraid of we. Tell me why you are so afraid of we. Is it the juggling Exodus nuclear play? Night and day, make it jump and afraid of we. Make it baby sound afraid of we. Some song boys hiding from we. Some song boys hiding from we. I want you to afraid of them.
Exodus nuclear.
Under the goma, tell your Exodus I put them under the goma, under the goma, tell your Exodus I put them under the goma because walk and run, joke and run. Oh yes,
Exodus nuclear.
Some believe they are tough. They believe they are tough. Some believe they are rough. Them not tough like Exodus nuclear. Oh,
Exodus think tough. No, I miss your ice and chaser. Come cause the sound that you know. No, the 5 strike Exodus I kill sound and don't give a fuck. Exodus them out in a bike and if you kill a ball on. And every girl a short out. Exodus nuclear sound.
Anytime we kill sound dangerous.
We come back to Peter's Condos, bro. Them guys don't touch them.
Here we Exodus.
None of mercy. Easy, man, Mark and Shabba.
Juxi killer. When them Exodus and with them dangerous. Couple shot bus and police turn up. Killing spree, whoa. Killing spree.
Tell them, so not go there. Tell them not to be the argument. Tell me come to kill Exodus, not extended. People feed dead. Hey, not give me the argument. Kill me come to kill me, said cut out the long conference. Square. That man from long time, who is experienced. Murder people and walk. We not jump over men. None of them said that them bad and live with all them parents. Yeah, me gun them living a wash me is not me own expense.
Ask them a who, coulda never miss a wannabe. I go kill them free, make everybody see no you.
People say you try to play like we.
Exodus kill two, and your friend make three. So they wanna be weak, we take them insect, come get them wing break.
Call them a impress.
See Exodus nuclear, and disrespect about them bats.
And Johnson killer, Exodus come follow. Yeah man. Alright. We don't know why they say them on top of the table. We never hear about them in a sound clash. We don't know why they say them on top of the table. Exodus don't take tough chat. You say go with from generation to generation, man. Top sound from creation, Father Romeo respect all. Here's the Gary and Johnson killer. Exodus come follow. Yeah man. Alright. We don't know why they say them on top of the table. We never hear about them in a sound clash. We don't know why they say them on top of the table. Exodus don't take tough chat. You say top and top dodos, top and top chop, top and top six from matches and black. Top and top Father Romeo and the city lock. And top and top Skengdon from Clarendon flat. Who buy the whole of Jamaica and dash it from the map. Top and top Willie from the Roses black. Exodus nuclear and real top notch, me say. Me don't know why some say them on top of the top. I will never look up them in a house.
And it costs you one wing. Yeah man, me no response to none of them enough. So we make them know that anytime bust me gun until me fingers them sore. 3 down on me clipper when me done you get 4. Show me king of your yaya cut your throat for make sure. Don't call me name no more. Now, what a predicament pussy get themself in. Come start war and know say them can't win. Well remember when me ban a gunshot cut me near the string. Don't call me name no more. Well pussy all me know say they all out no further away. From now no better way as no enemy.
Exodus nuclear. Hey, I want to them look killer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Exodus nuclear killer jump on there. Yeah, 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 yeah. Exodus nuclear the people them say. Oh yo, son boy killing, Jokesy killer, do the killing. One dog
them all them Jokesy killer large up yourself. Them life done. Straight up, tell them. Exodus, we no beg friend, pussy off it dead. And Jokesy no beg, boy pull them up a lead, all go clear sound. Father Romeo, Gary. He's more like Jokesy killer self. Them life done. Straight up, tell them. Exodus, we no beg friend, pussy off it dead. And Jokes in pet boy, full them up a dead all clown. If the program sick on the head and make we reach for the magnum, well it no make sense, you beg you got dead. Pussy off it dead. Exodus, them eliminate from A to Z. Boy dress up in a white, Jokes it on that in a red. And then from the scene of the crime where we fled, cause Exodus we a regulate. We must work some more if we hesitate. And we no give some no chance to retaliate. So in a boy see us copper shot to penetrate. Well I want more for the cemetery I accommodate. Because Jukesy killer them a try to imitate. In a the ground boy coffin body elevate. When Exodus pass through, take the wreck off jet. Cause bad sound don't beg friend pussy off the dead. Exodus, no pet boy, pull them up a lead on ground. This is the program sticking on them.
All of the original root boy them which you push up and watch up. Permanent 10. All the Exodus man them. Watch me. Me all respect to all the gunman them. Gunman alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn, be all the informer them. Informer alone. Step back. Original root boy sound. That the Romeo respect stand up Gold Gary. All of the original root boy them which you push up and watch up. Permanent 10. All the Exodus man them. Watch me. Me all respect to all the gunman them. Gunman alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn, be all the informer them. Informer alone keep informer friend. Respect to Exodus man them. Them man alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn, no fear the sound boy they them. Them the boy alone keep. Watch it. Me boss show me your company. Me tell you who you are. Friend of Exodus not be the big SLR. Them sit down on roadside and a idle just check Exodus for this desert eagle. You think no man a take them gun give you so? Me no want no man shot you. Take it from you. All the bout no work we no in other there's some. So respect to all the gunman them. Gunman alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn be all the informer them. Informer alone keep informer. Exodus in all the party. Watch ya. Lord of His mercy. If I Exodus on the one, make we hear your shout gun in hand. Exodus on the one, make we hear your shout gun in hand. We have been dead with we gun in a we hand and we finger upon the trigger. Exodus Monday. Listen to Lord of His mercy. Exodus in the party.
trigger. Exodus man them. We have been dead with we gun in a we and a select one in a the chamber. Watch we again dread. Original gun in a and make we see. We no deal with no gun panted. Original gun in a and make we see. We no deal with no gun panted. All what about gun we run the gun them. All what about gun we sit down pan them. All what about gun we run the gun them. All what about gun we sit down pan them.
What we tell the boy them say? Watch out. Say Exodus no know wawa, Abraham no know wawa. We some the baby sound boy send them a buffer. Richie Poo no know wawa, Shaban no know wawa. We some the baby sound boy send them a buffer. Say destroy. Exodus no like none of them. And you know see the pussy them a keep, but the man friend destroy. But if not like none of them, you know see the pussy them a keep lesbian friend. Who good? Exodus no want them mean ya. Now we hear the boy a bite out the fur burger. Who good? Exodus no want arena. Now we hear say the girl a rifle clean and me bash shut her. A long time she fi dead. You know see the girl a give the man head as in a bed. Shut her. A long time she fi dead. You know see the girl pussy tongue war reach it. Shut him. A long time him fi dead. You know see under the girl fat the boy put him head. Shut him. A long time him fi dead. You know see the girl. What tell the boy them say? Say destroy. Exodus no like none of them. You know see the pussy them a keep, but the man friend keep it canon over. Exodus no over. With some the sound boy said them about Ricky no know baba, Yuri no know baba. With some watch I know you listen them. Exodus girl and them ever.
Wanna listen to the Dan? Yeah, hear me? Look here, man. Wanna see the Den Gorgon coming? Wanna see the Den Gorgon coming? Wanna see the Den Gorgon coming? Say all night long, all night low, all night long. Yeah, me man. Mountain come down, we say, pan them sound boy, they know say, mountain come down, we tell you no, whole house broke down, we say, look on the sound boy, the whole house broke down, they say, run up them out, but they go lick Exodus young, and then, when they meet it, they see that come out, but the young is like,
all the girls, them, broke out nuclear, whole over Exodus for 8 man, I tell them. Watch it, new talk is spread, the new talk is spread, the Exodus man them get the new talk is spread, we get the new talk is spread, the new talk is spread, the nuclear girl them get the new talk is spread, bomber red, the lyrics a come out on me head, bomber red, the dippy sound boy dead, bomber red, him get a dub plate chop in him head, bomber red, him think I want 50 pounds sledge, bomber red, him selector and him DJ dead, bomber red, under the girl fracker where they put them in, bomber red, me ear say the boy them a coking, bomber red, and the coke make them fine like shed, we get the new talk is spread. The new talk is spread. Them say Exodus and a dead. Them a dead. We get the new talk is bus. The new talk is bus.
When me tell Exodus, tell them say. Y'all say yes. No girl get so sex, and when them see Exodus, them a big up them chest. Y'all say y'all enough money. Y'all enough money. Me look and say this is bounty killer. When me tell Exodus, tell them say. Y'all say yes. No girl get so sex, and when them see Exodus, them a big up them chest. Y'all say yes. And me do enough things to get. Me look and see Exodus, girl, man say. Y'all show with the big house and the Toyota Starlet. Bank book full of value up no asset. Well, if a girl thought them only get so sex. In a tear pack and so holy crap. Sample shoes you in a way they never see it yet. The frack where you in a come from Nazareth. The China murder them and all your Chris bracelet. Now mention your rings and diamond and collet. Y'all say yes. No girl get so sex, and when them see Exodus, them a big up them chest. Y'all say yes. I mean, you know, big friend. Party boy with condom. Y'all fi beg, skin them out on your old head. Sink your John deep and make them real and fiery. This is the punani rhythm. We love it. As the man, so much of the girls them. Exodus, we no beg friend.
ID, tell them Bujo.
Y'all fi beg, skin them up on your old head. Sink your John deep and make them real and beg. Woman fi beg, whenever time you hold them in your bed. This is the punani rhythm.
This is the punani rhythm.
As the man, so much of the girls them. Exodus.
Tell him again, Bujo. All right, ready. Teach him.
Y'all fi beg, skin them up on your old head. Sink your John deep and make them real and beg. Woman fi beg, whenever time you hold them in your bed. Cock them up high and sink your old. Just make sure put them in shine and hear from out of your head. Grab up your back and ball like a category. If you don't know the lizard, like give her the back shot instead. Don't know the eat around the poon and the red girl fi beg.
And something on the station identification.
Sink your John deep and make them real and.
Some girl a beg when them come in a man bed.
together when you see them in a dance.
Some of them make girl broke out, you mean?
Woman have mercy upon them for your big talk. Figure what road go tell them. Murder them. Some man you know for stop murder them. Murder them. The Shabbat you know stop murder them.
Have mercy. Here what? Relevant upon the case. Here what? Oh say. Girls them a fi dance when them hear the lyrics them a fi move them body and wind up them if them a fi wheel around and jump and kick because it go a little something.
Tell them struggle.
We call it sexy pleasure.
Not ribbon.
Tantalize the body.
Mesmerize the brain. Not.
Any girl a go on like she's too dread. Like she want fit her with your return. Like what we do? Jack it up. Ego the way. Easy major back to the ranks your large up. Don't wait till it's got big every time saying have mercy. Here what? Relevance upon the case, here what? Oh say. Girls them a fi dance when them hear the lyrics them a fi move them body and wind up them if them a fi wheel around and jump and kick because it go a little something like this. What we call it? Sexy pleasure, not for pain. Tantalize the body, mesmerize the brain. But any girl a go on like she's too dread. Like she want fit her with your return. Like what we do? Jack it up. Ego the red. Your body thing the pan way body head. Ram it and jam it and rev out the whole. Walk out the body, the mind and soul again. Jack it up. Ego the red. Your body thing pan way body head. Easy major back to the ranks your large up. Don't wait till it's got big every time saying have mercy. Here what? Relevance upon the case. Here what? Oh say. Girls them a fi dance when them hear the lyrics them a fi move them body and wind up them if them a fi wheel around and jump and kick because it go a little something like this. What we call it? Sexy pleasure, not for pain. Tantalize the body, mesmerize the brain. But any girl a go on like she's too dread. Like she want fit her with your return. Like what we do? Jack it up. Ego the red. Your body thing the pan way body head. Ram it and jam it and rev out the whole. Walk out the body, the mind and soul again. Jack it up. Ego the red, your body thing pan way body head. Ram it and jam it and rev out the whole. Walk out the body, the mind and soul. We not go ease up. Nah show no mercy. Let the girl them know you be stamina. That we not go ease up. We not pick no girl picky day. Hold them in a bed, nang about them belly. We not go ease up. We not go give them no breeze. Let them beg them stop now.
All them a chat, y'all, all them a chat, y'all, all them a chat, y'all, all them a chat, all them a talk, y'all, all the UK girls them. All them attack, y'all make them fret. Exodus, cause you are your man not left. You have been choice, you have been first prize. Jump and check out, y'all, you are the wife. You are the wife. Man first choice, wife. You wear the ring. Exodus, man, them a give you everything. Wife. You come first. I give you a fat up your purse. All them attack, y'all make them fret. Exodus, cause you are your man not left. You have been choice, you have been first price. Jump and check out, y'all, you are the wife. Pause, with your man make them fret. My girl, with your man make them fret. Check out, with your man make them fret. Show off, with your man make them fret. Y'all a post up, but she not ready yet. See the Exodus girls, them men out of them. They look good from them foot up to them head. Jump and check out, you look careless. Why? You are the wife. Why? Man first size. Hey! I don't want to go on the Exodus store. Hey. Watch out. Me say they and them if you're living in style. If you're gonna grill, go chill out for a while. Show your body ready, make some girl blood a boil. Hattie style can't spoil. Smile. Me say they and them if you're living in style. If you listen to the nuclear all the while. Show your body ready, make some girl blood a boil. Hattie style can't. Exodus goody ready, that girl we seek. Angel face and them billboard physique. Style like your pattern, well at that top me peak. You cute pair of dimple and your rosy cheek. Me know some girl a post of them clothes. That's right now. We're not going to wet up in any girl with the water hose. Without the rubbers. Hey, Exodus. Go look at your car for Jacqueline. But remember, draw for your rubbers, for your rubbers. Sex nice for the hate thing. We make you die like flowers, die out like flowers. We want a joke off for Jacqueline. Remember, draw for your rubbers, for your rubbers. Sex nice for the hate thing. We make you. Exodus. When we stop and we go looking at we crystal ball. We get to realize and a man on the wall. A most pretty girl, we can't trust them at all. Hey, Joe, if you find all a young girl and show she small, you think that she not give you bun with Paul. You're frightened for your Exodus name a call. Hey, Joe, she a Peter Mark and she there with Saul. She all have a married man who have a white hall. When you're in love, make sure you not
fall, no fall, no fall. Go look at the
yo. For Exodus. Gary. What are you girl them there? Say Miss Chin from Japan and Jackie from Florida was been vacation by Exodus Corner. How we act like a fire, them here bout the lace out crib. With the pink corridor, them here pan the wharf, we have a money green cruiser. That catch our eye color red, like a big liar pan the girl them kiss. Marie go talk about we love in our ear just a place. Girl a come down and all a play at race. Wonder who go in place. Them here bout we briefcase, we full of Franklin face. Good God of grace. Anywhere the Exodus go, anytime we rock the show, the girls them go, the girl them go, anywhere that my sound go, anytime we rock the show, the girls them go, the girl them go.
Easy. Intellect. See there. People do. Yes, girl notes. See. Check this now. Watch it now. Exodus girl, them a rainbow. Exodus girls, them a rainbow. Cause them a wonder how them roads are sunny and them lives so lonely. Exodus a bad man song. Them a muggle pants in the rony and them can't get Tony. Exodus a weed man song. Them a wonder how them roads are sunny and them lives so lonely. Exodus a gold man song. A muggle pants in the rony and them can't get Tony. Boom, yeah. How for sound a call, how they want my boss, how them want to complain for them don't fast, how I get the stress, how I clean the mess, how get ready just up and carry a some fest. Them I wonder how them roads are sunny and them lives so lonely. Exodus a bad man sound, muggle pants in the rony and them can't get Tony. Boom, yeah. Them a muggle pants in the rony and them can't get Tony. Boy, yeah. I wonder how them lives so lonely and them roads so sunny. Check this out, the whole of them a beat, can enough of them a mate. I wonder how she feel when we run her from Wiggin. Can enough of them a lens, I sleep with tennis, I still would a sing a magnificent says. Exodus y'all them a rainbow. Exodus y'all them a rainbow. One more time, Exodus y'all them a rainbow. Exodus y'all them a rainbow. Mix Exodus.
Hype, yo.
Exodus and bashment sin and a simple sin. We have a bashment sin and a easy sitting. Bashment sin and a simple sin. We have a bashment sin and a easy sitting. See the bashment chicken, see my V. Best cleaner than a tail Versace. No in a front back, or them caddy. Exodus girl no move like no. You don't have master cat. You know about that exit call. Exodus girl no collect bounce check style. Me give it right, see you got a them flex to a bit. I'm up the bashment, we get on some sex call. Watch the girl them a move. Exodus girl them a wine and I get the vibes are
watch me now, the girl sliding through. All article gunman. Exodus, gang, I am now. Exodus, them full of gunshot, and them no born under the clock. And if a country them come from, tell them go back. Them full of gunshot, and them no born under the clock. And if a country them come from, tell them go back. Shipment a gun come. Exodus, basic land, and we issue gun to all the sound man. Shipment a gun come. Exodus, basic land, and we issue gun to all policeman. You see the 38, and we give policeman. Which part we carry that man? And then I'm town station. You see the 45, and we give policeman. Cowboy used to fire that long. You see the 16, and we give policeman. Them start smile at them face when them get that one. You see the millimeter, and we give policeman. And when them get that one, we call it article. You see the mathematics, and we give the bad man. We show you how much we a boom sound man. Who know about the gun and the one ninja man? And I walk and I tell it to the whole nation, but we are the Exodus, young them carry Exodus, them full of gunshot, and them no born under the clock.
The girl them nice man, what's this?
Give me the Benz banana, make me go and drive it out. And all Aston Cambridge go and go cool out. Boom, boom, Benz banana, make me go and drive it out. And all taxi cab just go and go cool out. Boom, boom, 20, 40 man, I rev your body. Boom, boom, that simple means that the girl a taxi. If you make 41, but me no want it. Boom, can't come give the exit dust facility. Lord, I come on in our country. I'm a few man drive Benz, can afford the money. When a girl have a problem, check her with the prestige money. And that's why me want she come fling it for me. So well, give me the Benz banana, make me go and drive it out. And all Aston Cambridge go and go cool out. Boom, boom, Benz banana, make me go and drive it out.
It's a little story about life. Don't take sexy, just them have to die. Lot of sounds ask the question, why? Some sounds wanna go for so much more before they really learn about life. So the subject is not to be ignored. This I wanna be the one. It's a little story about life. Don't take sexy, just them have to die. Lot of sounds ask the question, why? Some sounds wanna go for so much more before they really learn about life. So the subject is not to be ignored. Listen, I wanna be the one. How it's gotta be. Exodus, another them sound. Killing them is the only way. Exodus, just let it be. Got to see, you've gotta live and learn. You've gotta live and learn. You've jump into boy. Couple shot make them skin start burn. Couple shot make them skin start burn. You've gotta live and learn. You've gotta live.
Anyway. Man a sleep a man a slide, man a drop a man a run. And your body after you a shine like this sun. Man a watch a man a peep, you a want things this year. To your body ready, you a flat girl career. Me have to wonder if a hotness are you calling. Make you dress up and a model something smiling. Pass on the road and let no people buying. Out of the white like I yarn them me yawning. I could not believe one woman look so appalling. Can you look good, me a figure to feel me downing. I say my glisten just like Sunday morning. Bumper spread down, take the ice like the falling. Girl from Unu at, listen up, this is a warning. From a guy know we live to spend out him last standing. Run with the boy, you not beg no pardon. Not them for hungry, make him know you're not starving. Exodus, show them a slide, some a drop and them a run. Hell up on the house and Exodus, swing stick on. Some a sip and some a slide, some a drop and some a run. Thank you, slide. Girls, me say me serious, I forget you tonight. I forget your body even by. Oh man, me say me serious, I fuck you tonight. I forget you. Yeah, why girls? You walk right, talk right, nobody mention polite. Oh man, you like roses in me eyesight, charisma and charm. Girl, your character warm. Pretty yet, girl, me ever see from me. What's the matter, what I want? Tell me what's up. Me a look you from me, yes, so happy they kill, fill up, but you things ever right, you know, I up me up. I walk and I muggle, and your chest, you push up. But me, I forget your body, even by gun, but girl, me serious. I forget you tonight. Get your body even by woman, me say me serious. I have to wine you tonight. I forget you, yeah why? Cause I came and I saw and I bound to conquer. Run away the little man off of the veranda. You are my girl from birth, him a trespasser. Tell him to live, no. You clear there, yeah. We are looking from 18 something and now is 19 something. And if the bantam don't get you in a him arms, woman a big sin thing. But you serious, I am not joking. Look on Shabbat, eat them if them a grin. Girl, you will never get to heaven if you break him heart. And that's a big sin. Girl, me say me serious. I forget you tonight. I forget your body even by. Oh man, me say me serious. I have to wine you tonight. I forget you. You want now. Girl, don't say that I'm fool. Neither stupid. But you always climb a mark a tree naked. Jump 40,000 fence, cross a cliff without a bridge. People want to crack us and climb me for rich.
Exodus is your one in the stone. Who run things a country run to the town? All alone, Exodus is world renowned. Give me the Alfred crew, New York Master, Portmore, St. Thomas. Give me the road for big, yeah? Exodus, you make it every time. Easy, Roundhead, Everline Glen, see? Yeah, once the corner. Exodus! Them can't play like a you. And them all hang up them mouth on a snow. Chill out, no. Them can't step in our show. Tell them you dump them, you fly. Them have a brand new, oh. Them can't look like a you. And them all hang up them mouth on a snow. Chill out, no. Them can't step in our show. Tell them you dump them, we play.
Exodus, but you to walk them, Exodus to walk them too. Overgrown good and Cargill Avenue. Excitement everybody in a summon you. I know one piece of being the mountain I ain't a bunch of. I know one piece of Santa Snyder when you want that too. Exodus said up them a disposable. Buy them in a integrate them in a bungle. Running let's have money. Money in the city, money in the city in a bungle. So now watch the and a grumble.
Yeah man, it was a joy. Kills, big up yourself, respect for the link. Teach them. Yeah, we're gonna teach them for real. Yeah, big up to all massive over there, all of vibe over there. You see it? We're on Exodus studio over there, yeah. Yeah, so look out for the next part, alright?
Exodus Nuclear.
The mighty Exodus.
We're out.
Teach them. Always make sure the message reach them.